Equal rights and justice. Justice pick number 4. Justice will be playing number 4. Poison will go second. Yeah, okay. Don't play number 2, you know? Listen. Blunt Posse all the way from the Bronx will be going 3rd. Black Rose will be going number 5. And I ain't stupid. There's only one number left. And there's only one sound left. So, all the way from Brooklyn, New York, my good friend Danger, LP International. Yes, my friend.
So we draw number 1. Yeah, we draw number 1. Automatically don't know, so we are number 1. So may I say, yo, Puma Super Dan link up. To link up. Yo, engineer, before we play one tune, I want to hear a tune play upon the record turntable this one. Engineer, before me play one tune, I want to hear a record over this how it sound upon the sound. Come and play upon fuckery now. You see what I say? I want to hear how a record sound on the fucking sound. So I do it. So I want to hear that. At least test that with me here to the sound nice. Yo! Yeah, at least I want to hear somehow it sound, because we don't want to play on any radio so the sound sound too nice. See me, I touch an eagle. Yeah, I touch an eagle now, you hear nothing. I want to hear quality upon the sound too. Because earlier on, I don't like this sound half full. Yo! Take off that reverb thing for the mic. I want the microphone flat. Flat. Yeah, flat. Bumbleclad. Yo! Take off every reverb, take off every delay. Flat. No music, nothing now come through this. Nothing. Alright, we get sound now. Yeah, because we have an online now. When I want to start playing the sound, start sound away. We have first sound. Come on and do a thing. So I deal with big up all the fans and we come hear some blood clot music tonight. Now one bag of reggae jiggy ready. Batman blood clot cereal tonight. You see what I say? Yeah. Just like that. Done. Put on one record, let me hear all the sound cause I play bank quality. LP Machine and Brooklyn sound, blood clot, crystal clean. Some want to hear how music sound pan this. Want to hear something pan that. Yeah. Put on something here to it sound, just test it. Put on something. Put on something. Put on something, man. More hear some sound outside road, boy. Sound, music. Give me a one thing. Yeah. Give me a one tune, anything a little regular. Give me a regular for test it, no, man. Yeah, give me something to test it. Yeah, something. People, and my fault, you know, we don't like the sound too up to par, but we work with it. You don't know a dance like this should have a ROZE machine in us, so for real. A dance like this should have a rotted sound in us, so beat on the whole place. But as them say, the club just opened up and the dance changed 3 different times, and the engineer said, boy, I never have time to bring the machine come on. One bag of sad stories, but guess what? We work with it. Test it, but so I hear something that sound good. Test.
A LP in the loan. You have a big sound LP interview.
Oh, it sound out there. Sound alright? Sound alright? Can I work with? We're going to work with like this. Done. Carry the next one over there, so. That's how we do it. We try both, make sure everything sound good. Yeah. Our pies not to use, what do I use? Final scratch. Yes. Bossy. I woke up no fuck up tonight.
A LP in the loan.
Okay, so nice, can work with. Alright, engineer. Promoter. What time it is now? 1:45. Where is it? 15 minutes? The time just a blood clot start. All who want sound for dead, who want to give me some blood clot signal. Early signal. Kick it off.
A LP in the loan. You having a big sound.
Posse
LP
round.
International. Puma Super than Danger.
That's all the machine.
Na 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 na.
That's all the blood clot machine.
LP in the loan.
That's all the machine done. Why are the bass line? Monitor the bass of it. Ready again.
Chewing LP in the loan. Boy. Chewing reggae music of the dawn.
People, a first round.
Chewing LP.
All who pay their money come tonight. We see blood clot force on dead 2 of the year. All who pay their money, this is on dead. Wake up with blood clot set. Wake up, wake up.
LP a murderer.
Wake up, bumbo clot. Wake up. Which one we come from? Which one we come from?
LP come from Brooklyn, Slew Sounding and Bonnie. Watch all the people they might jump and
We don't care what nobody wants. The most blood clot bad man come from Brooklyn.
me and my birds and my keys.
Yellow.
Taking me to show little dance all.
All who know some of the money for LP, show me some blood clot signal. Early fire, yo! I mean, this guy. Roll on there. Blood clot. All who want some there.
It's not pretty, no. So it's not so easy at times.
Early fire. Early push. Early push.
Living ain't easy, no. It's no easy
Level.
at times.
All the man will see a God dance over blood clot 5 years to another year. Clash dance and the real authentic dance. The wedding jiggy jiggy tonight. So the blood clot there tonight. Mucho.
What?
Monitor the bass. Mucho.
I wanna rule my destiny.
Stop that blood clot. Ready again.
And I wanna rule my destiny.
No. Hey.
Destiny, help me look from where you call. Destiny, help me, I hear you call. Why? Let me rule my destiny.
Well, I don't know, say the first 15. I don't know, says I'm going to bounce it nice and easy. We beat on the regular. I got 2 years on radio every day. On the bootleg station and everything. We beat on the regular, get them out of the way. Later on, we'll just rub out the pussy them. Can't be a baby then. One of them up. Ready again. One to the light.
LP International.
One to the blood clot light past stage. Light. Yo. Later on, them not have no blood clot belly. Start me.
LP them rising, yeah, and the rhythm is free, and this sound boy will stand up in the way today. Not yet, no disrespect, no time, no way.
Level. And we are the first sound to play. The one of the pussy them want the sound brought them and pack them power. Pussy will do bad mind. Free plates, free players.
Sound boy no one leave up in low. LP get vexed and start steal them.
Roll on there.
No figure go farming them scoring in the world. Still wanna be the first to eat the food as it goes. Them come to dance all in our worlds. Love them from far.
LP are what? What we are what? We are what?
LP sound are the king of New York. Make some sound boy stay there.
Pussy or blunt pussy?
What they gonna do? Say what they gonna do? Well, not for them not true.
Blunt pussy.
LP and the
Yo!
Who do you think you are? Living in a small world. Small world. As wicked as you think you are. Living in a small world. Small world. As bad as you think you are. You are going to in a small world. Small world. As tough as you think you are. I go dead in a
A 5 sound night dance. I don't know, sir. We also bounce it early. I don't know the first round. I bounce it 15. Later on, third round, every blood clotting dead. Ready him up. Sister alongside Jackor. No!
Kingston sound boy. Aye. Make them stumble. Kingston lady. Oh.
Understand. All who respect Sizzla Colonji, I want some lighter right now. Lighter pampers. All who respect Sizzla Colonji, put some lighter pampers. We're about smashing just like this.
Sound boy artist. LP, them go. LP rule the nation. Yo, 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 yo.
All who want blood class out for them, Mr. Maybe a nice. All who want sound that maybe a nice. Early.
So many times throughout my life, the only sound I've ever heard survive the test of time.
Which song?
It's LB sound. From when the soul passed out,
You're done.
the sound passed on. Just remember,
Yeah, man.
who's the one? Whatever my eyes can see, my heart can feel. That's why.
I don't care nobody want to say no. One of them want blood clot, one with LP. I be with them. One of them. I don't care nobody want to say the one of my baby. We are sport right now. We are sport. We are sport.
This was for the sacrifice who are fighting a war all over the world.
Right now we are sport out for us. We are sport. Engineer, take out some bass off of the microphone. Take out some bass.
Fighting a war all over.
We are sport.
All over the world. Look at all those hours.
Later on, you're going to hear some song play a tune. You call up my name in it. My youth, any song that bring up my name tonight, respect, because you promote me. Even when you have something negative to say, still blood clot promotion, go suck the woman. Blood clot!
My eyes can see more clear. Sound killing them there.
Boss Lord!
Sound boys still in a dream. We leave them on a murder scene.
Me say!
We look how we treat them bad. Them shouldn't make we get so mad.
Because SpongeBob in the building. Over there.
We give them all the gunshots we get. Them don't know what to do.
Level. All who know say tonight, on the bet on the wall on the blood club money per LP, who no split 50-50, 100% per LP, you can't lose.
Now it starts spreading, all when them seek when it's selling sound boy dying. Mercy please for life them begging. This LP are to them hog, them made in bloodshed in danger now. Give it them back.
All the man say LP and them nice.
Nothing can stop this fire. Nothing no guard, not even prior. The danger getting higher.
Well on there. Any man we come to like a blood clot girl tune tonight, a batty boy. Read him up.
Fire.
When the man with a pussy so good on the ear. Go on. Bombo clot.
Where do you go? Down to need my love. Nash.
Any man we come to like a blood clot girl tune, a batty boy.
Yo.
Tell them no. Tell them. Big up our Rasta man that place, love woman. Straight.
Where do you go? Down to need my love, baby. When are you go? To let us play.
Fuck that, we have 15 minutes. Too much blood clot tune. True.
Burn them, burn them. Yo, Mr. LP International. Yeah. New York massive. Puma, danger dance. Why you here, son? Now you here, son? Now burn them. LP tell them. Some boy dead and gone. Far away. LP lead them way to play. Send them a graveyard to
The blood clot was start, you know. You feel good, right? Now do that. How you feeling? Oh no, I'm going to play the biggest blood clot combination tonight. Eh? Drop it.
Cross, angry, me's a rebel. LP, You know it's Bounty Killer alongside the Gargamel and Kalanchi. I doubt you know.
This one is so big, oh. Boy, I'm a soft and they'll watch a disaster. Can I get men up with
Me have a blood clot lockdown first round.
I mean, so big up yourself, you know.
Alright.
LP International, States of Puma, States of Dan. Danger!
All you say batty man for that lighter! Lighter!
And the shot people are saying, boom, 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 boom,
Lighter! Level! Blood pussy there! Justice there, tell them!
LP said, don't apologize to nobody, boy, if you're this danger.
Do it again! Shoot again! Chop it again! Bumbuck! Don't go to the needle! Don't go to the needle!
Bounty Killer alongside the Gargamel and Kalanchi. I doubt you know.
This one is so big, oh. Boy, I'm a
There's no blood class station there, you know.
Can I get men up with
I mean, the mad blood class selector, you know.
I mean, some
The pussy they can't go on the stage, him too big. Pussy blood.
International States.
Suck the woman, we are
Danger!
suck the woman.
Burn them like stranger.
some boy, man. Yeah, man. Ready,
And the shot people are saying,
boom, 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 boom.
All you say batty man for that. Go on, man, the blood clot here. Go on, man.
I go and boom, bye. In a batty boy head. If you will not promote a batty man, the batty head. On a boom, bye. Buy in a batty boy head.
Yo, Sizzler! Sizzler!
LP said, don't apologize to nobody, boy, if you're this danger, girls, them guns at your boy. Never know what I think.
Level. All who say, no reggae artist, no if you apologize to no batty man. Be the man that care, but not if you apologize to batty man. Go on, go on, yeah!
Okay, LP.
flat enough in fucking that's a tune. Apologize to.
Now follow you don't make a dollar. Oh, you hear this now? LP song who must get rich. Broke it for life, but we know intent is up in a life, banglas must make it. Now the pussy them I wonder how can get rich. Oh, when the dead we can't forget about it. Bitch up on the reggae with source of that it.
Level. My girl over there, son. All night I go hear one bag of blood clot bad man tune. Them now go play a tune for the girl. Me a different no. Me love your breast them.
Can I ride this like motorbike? Boston limit and block this stabilize.
No to that man. Suck him up.
Can I feel ride this like motorbike?
Bumbo clot star. Where's it? Where's it? 15 not already? Come on, man. Next song.
Let's give it up for LP. Yeah. Big up with my New York niggas in the house. But right now, coming up is Florida Notorious. Poison. Poison. Dar, my good friend Kirk is here on the crew. Hey, man, where's that?
Two. Yeah. Well, alright. Well, you don't know, 5 sound there, but you don't know 4 of them have a blood clot dead. You understand me? And you don't know a poison out there, Florida's most notorious, America most notorious. You understand me? But right now with them poison out, we do things a little bit different. You understand me? So Kirkisy, drop that tune there.
I'm Mr. Yes, poison out, stay so Kirkisy, Chris Rock. Motherfucking girls who slap this fat cock. Alright, stay so, big up, sir. Stay so, shut up, stay so. Stay so,
Let me see go on now. Rise up the blood clot.
Stop it, dog. How do we? Poison out. Rise up with the poison out and jump.
Oh, yeah. Big up poison dog, yeah. Man like 36.
I saw me a star that blood clot.
Man rust. Hear this. Oh, yeah. They did try but could not cut poison dog sound now. They did try and poison just burned them down. Yeah. Some fool went to the bank, withdraw all his monies. Yes. Thinking that's what it takes to take poison dart down. A poison dart just play just have the world dance so
Let me see go on. Rise them. None of them.
some boy you study yes. Rise and that, deal with it the bloody ass. Gun dog and gun drunk with the set.
All who's a sword for them. Rise the blood clot gun on them.
Find out say you war some boy you study yes. Deal with it the bloody ass.
Yes, a blood clot LP.
We got muddy ass. Kirky see kill them no big on the lucky ass. Kill them on the land. No for them a look to see man magadon. Well from pies and that does them magadon.
Florida. Party killer.
Them a talk about them have no heart. And the murder people we don't say can't talk. Pies or not. Some boy you say them have no heart. And the murder people we don't say can't talk. James of God. Because you can't say you're bad lucky now. Say you're salt. When are you went drunk bendy as fuck. And your lily blood that run like a cherry malt. Flip up and dead and no pies on all fault. Remember yesterday when you come out heads up.
Hold on. Hold on the courtesy, hold on. Video man, come here. Video man, the blood clot, come here. What you feel like? All I real bad man never come a sound war and say sound for them. Let me see the gun on them. Put the light over your son. Work with me. Turn the light over your son. Over your son. All who's a sound for them. 2 and 9 blood clot here.
How fool them pussy there? Me no know. Gunshot for them pussy there. Them pussy there. Alright, poison that no take time. Body. Oh, up to them shot, I no matter. Body. Yo, Chris Rock, ask them 45 and Glock.
So come on, come here, chat out them more.
Skeleton, surround to announcer. Your gangsters laugh. We will laugh for Miami, New York. And I don't know it's a worldwide thing. Some boy are rain.
What the bad man from New York?
Some boy are use motor.
The bad man from London here.
The gun we bust spice, that no trace. Put gunshot in our blood clot face. This courtesy, when you premeditate, we put gunshot in our blood clot face. By your shatter war, stand up by your gate. Put gunshot in our blood clot face. We focus and taste. We put gunshot in our blood clot face. Fly boy brain like kite with gun.
Bitches in the know what we want. Don't think, don't talk. All right, yes, sir. Big up yourself. Lord of the air. What the bad man? I'm so big long gun and rub down pan. I'm here say yes, big up yourself in a poison dart. Bumper ass clap, stay so. Hey, 40 boy, some boy, a gunshot to the yard, stay so. Pussy in the riches in the door. All who's a sound for dead, rise the gun on them. Rise the gun on them. Rise the gun on them. I'm so big long gun and rub down pan them. Hey, salute clip all down pan them. Gangsters, gorillas, go down pan them. War them from night till sun down pan them. Big long gun and rub down. The man over the hand, let me hear the hand of my blow. Clip all down the pan them. Gangsters, gorillas, come out pan them. Poison dance. Lord of the air, tell them pussy them. Because you meant nothing to me. Don't think your words something to me. You stop reading me. I'm going to long time right now. Got the first 10 ministers. And the first 15. I'll take them.
Put this big bad president logo. Not a mercy.
Born to kill out.
Not a mercy.
Lord of the air.
Some ratted gun me off over them. Had the same thing Orlando man them same. Tampa we are gonna murder them anyway. Had the same thing Paiso Data said.
Yo, me easy.
We just murder son marginal the day. We did run naturally. They did not.
Yeah, man, at the first 15 that, you understand me? And you don't know a sound war. I will not come up and laugh with blood clot people, you understand? So, drop the blood clot tune and get you right.
You don't know it's straight up, you don't know it's all about pies and that, you know what I'm saying? Murder some boy, tear with them aunt, you don't know it's all about Kirky C, you don't know it's your Shatter, your Chris Rock. You don't know it's Mad Ras, you don't know it's you don't know it's them gonna come from California and Vegas. I'm not so easy, you know, straight up. Yo, don't watch that. A pies and that.
All who come on blood clot sound war, let me see you going on them again. Rise up the gun on them hibiscus.
Yeah, poison that the sound that kills so much can never be defeated.
All who's a sound for blood clot, let me see the hand there.
Yes, Kirky C, under us by you at the crush. Them swear there was anointed.
Mr. Rise the blood clot gun on them. Lord
Easy.
Got the potion, I can't believe the change.
What me name is Easy?
Like warp in she glow.
What me name?
Oh yeah, Chris Rock, you just sounds crazy. On and on, cause you're killing them daily.
Yo, that road of them get you there some tune. Says to the blood clot tune now.
My sound up from my corner. You keep a calmer. You take a smarter.
Get rid of them.
Burn them on the highway.
It's the highest grade.
It is getting to my head. Poison data killer sound up on my corner. You keep a calmer. You take a smarter.
On the first 50.
On the highway. It's the highest grade.
Lord of the
At times I steam it. Sometimes I'll bake it. Bake it.
All over your blood clot sister. Let me see sister on them now. Let me see sister on them about them.
Whoa, yeah.
Let me see the sister on them. Lord of the Where man them from New York?
Then why? Pagan does by me and the fuck.
The man them from Tampa, Miami.
And me, I'm free.
W.
I'm the baddest motherfucker that you ever gonna see. Papa say why? Pagan does by me and the fucking informers got their right.
Get rid of them blood clot of America. Get rid of them.
And I'm the baddest motherfucking sound you ever going to see. You fucking stupid you, me just wicked you. Ugly stinking pussy.
I will the poison that. 11 years I'm going strong. But for a blood clot sound for dead. So listen tonight. Listen tonight. Assassin.
Check. Someone we born brave, but we bout it now. So we call from birth, but we
rise up and go down.
Come for now, someone a born soldier. Over the years, I'm still a soldier now. So we are step on them. We are step on them. Yeah, we reboot and we hype over. Step on them. We are go step on them. We step on them. Yeah, them a fret. You know, see the gold spread on them. When we are step on them, we step on them. We gone.
Yo, me say with them poison that 11 years I'm still going blood clot strong. So it's right now. Bounty killer.
Well, this a poison that when nobody can kill. 10, 11 years with the job.
Let them blood clot go.
Well, past them, let's just show me tranquil. He run as a red man. He's starting 5-star. General with every tactical skill.
Lord of the
Go through for his skirt, he go over hill. Run through the desert like Buffalo Bill.
From sun for death, put on the blood clot on the light of it.
So that no trace we say y'all over gun. That's the gang you see him. No want it done. Them loves in blood and them want it done. Well, who violate, we class them down. Put that in your long time.
Pull up. Because guess what? Poison out there I represent, you understand? But you have two more songs from Florida there, you know. You have Blood Clot Justice and you have Black Rose. But it's tonight, but one Bumbo Clot, Black Rose, Blunt and Justice and Pussy Wall LP know this. Drop the Blood Clot Junior!
Rough, the man shot a one. Alright.
Drop the Blood Clot Junior! What a mic, big up! Drop the Blood Clot Junior!
Don't fuck around. Poison that Florida's notorious. And we went.
Hold up! Take the Blood Clot forward.
The man shot a one. Alright, yeah, oh yeah.
All who's a sound for that, rise in there! Rise in there!
Poison that Florida's notorious. And we work for the king and his grace. It's a glorious. Don't fuck around. Poison that Florida's devastated.
Well up. Hey, get rid of some blood clot tune from early. What you see right now with them poison that, remember, any blood clot boy feel like them bad, push up them blood clot chest. Drop the way anyone there.
Yo, this is Wayne Wonder, and it's all about poison dance. Oh, guns them now laugh. Shut up. Fata my one, guns them laugh.
And the first 15 louder there. I know what?
Poison dance, no waste no time. No time. Been feeling so boys on the front line.
Tonight we are separate man from boys. Remember. Lord of the where men them know? Where men the pussy them know? Right now the sound war with the turkey see. So drop that tune.
I dancing. Before them start war, them better think this over.
Lighter.
Run come this spice and that, I know them must
get turned over.
Cause today
us some tune from early.
Them must move them nightly and tell them that feeling good when we in forever.
Let them know a lot of this.
Good when we in
Hey, man, get rid of some blood clot tune from early.
I'ma tell them say I'm gonna pies of that sound and with courtesy and madras, you know. Shut up, yeah man, a man called one and this is Mr. Cruz, we ain't got nothing to lose. Kick it up on them now. All you want is murderation style. All you want is to tell me no call pies of that have it all kind of different way, you know. I want some boy.
Yeah, me say blood clot sound one. Let them know.
Every sound boy I go dead in at the dance. Every sound I go dead up in at the dance. Right, so that we come to burn down the party. We come to mash up the party. So watch out. One sounded up, two sounded up, three sounded up, four sounded up. You fuck with pies and out, we write them up. You diss the pies and out, we lock them up. Be some sound come here with them bag a long chat. Like them.
I don't know. A whole heap of blood clot people flying for the dancer from New York, but you don't know a 3 different blood clot places dancing to keep and it end up here, so you understand me? What is right now? May I play a tune for all blood clot, God bless that place, sir. You see right now when I'm out of there, drop that tune, I'm my first 15.
See, tell them in a tarantula, Mr. Redman. Featuring for the big sound, original, Bushman, deal with it. Yeah, and we are say, life we are chanting, you know, and dead for the wicked, yeah. My start, yeah. Tarantula, yeah, Redman.
Now one of them get rid of it.
Life, courtesy, yeah.
What the God bless them, the Lord of deal. Hibiscus.
Yeah, man, I say life.
Get rid of it.
Rising that go on fire, pan a weak sound, and then free time. I keep it now.
Get rid of it.
Blazing fire in our burn out corruption and blood clot powers. Powers. You know we got a motherfucking powers.
Walk one tonight, Lord of deal.
Then the one that name sound die. Me no care. Even your heart, who care?
Hey, at the first 15 that MC.
Give me the microphone. No, I'm not down there. Move. Give it up for Poison Dart. Florida's notorious. Give it up for the Dart. But coming up next, all the way from New York City, Bronx town, the BX is in the house. Blunt Posse. Who's MCing? Don't.
Yeah. Check.
You want this one here?
Oh?
You want this one, Michael?
That Patsy there?
This microphone sounds much better.
Alright,
Yeah.
Patsy.
I'm doing you a favor still.
Patsy.
No, I'm gonna do a party. Passing still so close to me.
Boys element.
Microphone, good.
Respect MC. Good night, Fort Lauderdale. In a kind of scanty, but you don't know. They them pay them money, promoter them work hard, place all bun down here. We are New York where I come from. Yeah, shit. And the real fire and the real shit. Some of them know. A first round, you know. Some man act up themselves, you know. A first round, you know. Some man fi know themselves, you know. Look more when them pop down, me no know. Straight. So it's right about down.
Wow! A blunt sound. Let me tell you something. It's a mama and papa food. We defend it to the fullest. We say tonight, we in a battlefield setting. A sound we are war with. So here we are. Mama and papa, big up yourself. Take care of food straight. No. Blood kill sound.
Hello, come here, this is sound dead, you know.
Jump on you a gun head now. A gunshot now. Inna your head now.
Engineer, you have to work with the sound a little better still. Me not cuss engineer, but look while when the rest of the sound I play, the bass I chomp on the sound on the other. Alright, we work with it. We're not fighting. I want to play, so not fight. Listen, I play it back. Alright, we'll try that side of this. Read them again.
I who me hear about them addict.
Hear the feedback? Listen.
Passing a trust no shut off a dark. Murder anything whether in a light or dark. We no be.
What work with it, same? I could have one blood clot tweeter, what war it out.
Let's take a shot of a blunt posse.
Bronx, New York.
We are going to them rough. Blunt posse and them tough.
All who come here, this is sound that give us some gun and now here, Florida.
The murderation start. Then this blunt posse and me say the sound boy. Them just a get right up. How with them hear about blunt are the king for New York. Sound invasion. some boy corral the dance and want to overthrow we no business. Who want go a station? How will them hear bound? Blunt fire just can't out. Here Chucks, have the big tune a pump. While I grade you have to check.
Mr. Fort Lauderdale, a first round and we now huckle up with self, man. We skill with this. It's an art of sound clash. I hear thinking mouth, blood clot danger for LP a beat off the mouth. But if you play this, you're batty man, and if you counteract it and play this with my name, you're that. Me you play a little lame up bounty killer, pussy wolf. I make work with it same way, don't it? What? You don't want to know what going on in New York? You don't want to know why blood clot LP hate that little sound here so much? Listen to tune now. Listen. Engineer. Yo! Engineer. Engineer, you can't bad me up. Set up a blood clot machine, man. Bomber clot you. I war with them, man. Promote and a pay for see them, play for see the sound, them king. May I beg you? Jesus. Read them again. Bomber clot.
Sincerely. Blunt. I want them boy you some kind of a try plus stunt. Yo,
big up rough leg promotion, but man tell you, God. Hey, me used to them thing in New York, you know. Hey, listen to that junior good, that junior from Blood Clot LP.
Blunt Posse have two cats to prepare. One for murder, Sasha money sound in there. The next are LP, Batman team. Murder them and pack them like sardine. Tight pants danger, you are a fag. Ajax put one shoe into red. Bingy make for the blood get mad. Tell him stay all them selling fake Gucci bags. And this is what the crowd must do when them a play them fake.
Hey, after my beat up, blood clot danger Queens ready here. The boss go for fire him. I hear what the boss said.
Oh my ass okay, and it's not right. Why you like the danger when him pants them tight? You should have tell the pussy well up.
Me say one blood clot tweet I play me a murder pussy hole now this man. Read him again. Don't play him back. Read him again. Wow. Feedback in another turntable. I work with it. See him.
Suspect and draw your line too far. Blunt I got kicked.
I work with it. We not fight.
No. Jump and gun. Blunt kill sound. Showdown sound.
Hey, me said this morning, I wake up, I said, God, just hit the blood clot plane, the land of Florida safe. Safe.
Hey. When blunt them nice, rolling in the morning, some pants get a beating. Blunt from blunt up play.
Yo again. When I
nice, rolling in the morning.
Me say them killing ya 1, 2, 3. Some pussy will run out, gone in I first round.
Yo again, well it not check nothing at all. We kill some blunt and put some boy and that drums. It not check nothing.
I hear the whole line sound of my play some regular sizzler. I'm not ready for a blood clot sample sizzler no Fort Lauderdale.
Whoa, yeah man, stay so school them. Yo, God, a blunt stay so yeah.
I New York we come from. We not left it. Request for all Fort Lauderdale bad man.
Judah shall prevail. Yeah man, them never know. Teaching, Blunt Posse say, AK's Mach 11 this them like. Pull this pattern now we fix them like. And let bad man mix them like. Love the girl and pull them up and got kisses like me say, AK's Mach 11 this them like. Boy this pattern now we fix them like.
Boy the feedback wanna turn to me a mad the engineer.
Right, rolling deep, you never know. Rastafari got the vibes of flow.
Hey, it's a Blunt Posse, we's a young sound, you know. So we love to see when the young artists them are going good in life. You see the next artist I named Chesedek. And him a build him career a yard to take off like storm this year. Listen good.
You don't know Rastafari, Angela Chesedek, you know. Come here, show them say Blunt Posse song of the champion song.
Some boy believes say walk I know, so them not biased. Them come here to judge a clash of fear. Let me see you 2-9 here, Florida. 2-9 here.
When you taste blunt posse sound and we show you to the ground, it's the worst mistake you ever made in your life. Sound boy carrying feelings.
Also, what LP you come here tonight with your set blood clot all tune. I got beat out the rest of life. I got beat out your life.
We kill them, please. A blunt posse has great dubplates. Can't they see? Yeah, this a sound company, this Chinese sound boy them. Yes, just them, please. A blunt posse.
This is a 1-2 juggle in Fort Lauderdale. And when I ackle up myself, a first round, we know how to do this thing.
So, Papa, go! Bless the man, me burn it! In all New York! Till the morning! I told them that blunt posse gonna hit them like a fucking tsunami. Yeah, man, I'm perfect in the eye. I hear me now.
I work with it.
I want it. Blunt posse, you kill and destroy. All dirty sound, why? Father blunt, you know, name fit try. The whole of them going go get destroyed. Go tell them we no take no lullaby. Boom, we kill and destroy. All dirty sound, why? So here Jackson never name fit try.
Hey, we is a sound. We're not afraid to play the young artists. Because when them bust a little more, we can stand up and say, yes, we help them out with that. You see me? El Blood Clad P. I hear play a splice up Bounty Killer, Sizzler, and say Buju Inaito. Pussy. Nobody come a blood clad Florida and try trick people, because you wouldn't pull that stunt in New York. Florida people, them man a fool. Big up to all our people who know a good tune. Don't play no more splice. So it's right about now. This a Sizzler Vibes Cartel, the two of them there in the studio, the two of them voices blood clot. Listen good.
I'm here say, yeah man, a gunshot for them nasty ras. Boys the borderline and can't cross stay, so you wanna give a fuck for your friend or for your boss. Alright, kick it off and don't know Sizzler Columns alongside Vibes Cartel. Motherfuckers get gunshot and special friend. Yo, stand up!
Seriously, Vibes Cartel and Sizzler Columns, you see that?
Hey Danger, pussy, well, you know I'm a beat out the rest of your life.
Yo,
you know why?
Them we burn back the fuckers and we burn pussy suckers and burn out them buggers and them head bust like crackers. Bad man not like none of them at all. This blunt posse gunshot and set fall.
Hey, I hear the pussy will Danger make a speech, but it's me counteract in blood clot tune, me a batty man.
Rain a bus.
All I man we know say them sure say them man a batty man. Give me some gun and I hear.
Like red
gun.
Blunt posse never, Asians never, Father blunt never.
Don't play with me. Pussy one.
Nasty ras.
I saw your cut combination. I have about 20 combination run here. Wait till it come out.
Your boss. Alright, kick it.
Vibes and that. Are your place boy and kick out some of your teeth courtesy.
That's your gunshot of special
With
friend.
the dirty boy tarantula there.
Seriously,
I'm sorry, say I'll leave that there in a bit. And the brains behind the sound that thing. I ain't more kick up.
Yo, don't tell them. Them we burn back the fuckers and we burn pussy suckers and burn out them buggers and them head bust like crackers. Bad man not like none of them at all. This blunt posse gunshot and set fire. Burn them. And then we burn back the fuckers and we burn pussy suckers and kill them motherfuckers.
All I man know say no girl now no secret for you. No girl never rank up your mustache yet. Give me some gun and I hear.
Gunshot start to
blunt posse never, Asians never, Father blunt never. Fuck party and transports never, Starballers never.
Pussy them not even know for mix down them dubplates.
See and I never.
Hey, we are ghetto sound enough. So everything we have to do for a blood clot cell.
See and I never.
Listen, Starballers studio at work now.
So pussy, hey, Starballers. Bad man never, yeah. Never do it. So fierce and not tight.
I like Florida people, I know, so them go to New York at least one time. I'm so 1 and 9 year. 1 and 9 year now.
You don't know.
1 and 9 year now. 1 and.
There is a shower man rock, New York City. You know the one town like when you hear that. A blood posse rock, blood posse.
How much more?
So we have the one God again. Jim Brown was the man who was the rain tapper. Early Bird was the man who was the one cake color. See the dodos and the man when no argue nor shot. Six of the cold bomber will keep quiet. Them murder William
Green then I'm green. Infrared and
Then say one more, I know all my round done so early, but I work for it. I play two more.
And I'm begging up to take down back. Remember when the massive then did have the place locked. And blunt posse sound system, cream on the crop. Blame the woman and blame the man.
Hey, me can't cuss the rest of sound them, cause them no blood clot play yet, but you hear me? Don't make no mistake.
Let them know. Sound boy, make me tell you this straight. Blunt a go kill you. Wonderful. Gunshot will grind you and damage your soul and abuse you. Yes, you fool. Sound boy, make me tell you this straight. Ajax will kill you. Wonderful. Gunshot will grind you and damage your soul and abuse you. Hey! Well, Blunt Posse did not want them along.
Bumbo clad promoter say we time I run short, so I'll slip in with final one now. Final blood clad tune from now. You see right about now. Big up, respect to all our people who come out, come support the Little Clash, because one night time promoter go for y'all cancel the dance and me until it hurt me to my heart. I say, nah man, it still have to go on, man, because enough people still look forward to it, you know. Although in your kind of scanty, and some of them pussy they make up nice on a bill cassette. You get me? You get me? Big up all like Florida sound them, because I cheer them and 1.5 New York sound, because LP has some half idiot, you know. Them pussy they not worth one thing. Some people go and defend New York. So it's right about now.
Straight move by yourself. Rule all territory. Now come up to the window. Original. Counteraction style.
Poison that missile from blood clot, tell you. Me say we are the bravest.
Territory. Blunt take over the territory.
Bumbo clot. Final one. You sure, TJ? Alright, you're positive. Where are you, King?
Give it up for Blunt Posse, yeah. All the way from New York City. Yeah, man, give it up for them. I'm a friend of here, Jacks, you mean? New York youth. But right now, we're going upstate. Badman Town. Jacksonville gangsters, them. Jesus. Equal rights and justice.
Yo, what them say? Sound for that? Well, listen for me. For this over here, so. Yes, right now, people. And then I fuck you know. I mean, not see no threat. I want really sound to see a poison that. And everybody don't know, so them free that we are ready for morning. Yes, what me I say? Yes, right now, massive. I kill me come for kill the sound. I'm in MT Koshi and I'm a bad man friend, your son, I'm Juvenile. And we don't come to represent Jacksonville, you know. We come to represent the world. Come here, some man that talk about king of this and king of that. I know them want to find them kingship. Me a born king. Me a kill some pussy make you say tonight. Ready up the DJ?
Check this. When you find yourself in times of trouble, justice sound is there for you. Justice is the answer, let it be.
Big up the whole of Florida, cool, America, Jamaica. Yo, Bumbo Class. That little pussy there over there, so them LP with a little splice tune. We are going to make you hear the real thing tonight. Tell the boy that we go suck in his mother. Yeah, Bumbo Class.
Justice is the answer, let it be.
I see 2 minutes in a thread tonight. Read him up here, my youth. Yo! Man, I want no man fuck with the machine, you know. BS Lord!
Now the justice of that's true.
He is up. You see the whole blood clot roll come out tonight. Read him up. Original sound there tonight. So Robinson. Big up the Rasta man, the there tonight. Selassie youth. Hold on. And tell Pussy what President LP this. Tell them this.
I have no fear.
Tell them this. Bob Buckland. Tell them.
Justice no fear, no sound, no we no fear. Justice no fear, no sound, no we.
But him name danger. Tell him Pussy.
Yeah, we rougher than rough.
Yo.
Yeah, we tougher than tough. Yeah, we strong like lion. We are high.
Let's me come for right off some pussy at the first round this, you know. Beat out some tune youth. Come ready to splice what you are talking about. Boom, bye bye. We are till later on.
Listen, turn to me some 45 16 on my club. I live too.
Big up the trucks of the crew. Yo. We don't say every time.
Oh, that means some 45.
If this show them pussy on the post not check. Beat out some tune, bad man. Beat out some blood clot tune. Shabba.
This justice, dead boy.
Want to help me? What to them?
Them a go dead in the war. Justice champion by far. If war can done. Start the war, justice now run. Anything this a late tongue, should boy the fun. When we back we gun.
Hold on the people.
Come to we let have son.
How the first round this?
Them a go dead in the war.
Tell the boy name Chopper.
Bad man fit them man no bad man fit we. Them a road boy fit them man a chip up chip me.
So
bad boy not tell bad man you man. When you just a come from church and I carry your mother and back.
I say tonight people, nothing can come out here tonight, you know.
I make a full way too bad.
The worst thing them gonna do tonight, I gonna put justice money.
Ready for the war.
Tell them pussy them.
Them dead in the war. Justice killing son by.
That's right now.
Straight to them.
Bring them up.
A super black life from the justice. Say justice we a go every day.
You see tonight.
See I go every day.
Tell pussy what poison and blood. And Batty man LP them this.
All the while them coming at the dance. I want like them big and them.
Tell them.
But jump on. I want you to know justice we are the one.
What gonna reach them?
We are go bury them. Just because them test justice. We are go bury them. Just because them test justice. We are go bury them. Say justice we are go bury.
The pussy will come and talk about. Rasta man don't apologize to no Batty boy. No Rasta man not over there, so. Tell the pussy all this tonight, juvenile.
That justice. Hey, Rainbow, come in the thing before you make that a blessing. Yeah, it's equal rights and justice.
We are going to throw LP in the Everglades, make alligator eat them.
The judgment be able to face it. Now I don't name justice, they left them guns and we run it. This gangster time.
Ease up! Read him up here, me.
You realize Selassie is the Almighty, Mr. Boy.
They said none can escape tonight.
Boy, you don't know, say I'm a rough.
May I throw them in the Everglades, make alligator eat them.
Yeah. Come in the thing before you make that a blessing. Yeah, it's equal rights and justice, and I want the black.
Tell pussy what poison on this.
This sound, yeah.
And pussy what LP and blood.
Now I don't name justice, they left them guns and we run it. Any boy this gangster time, we go for
no!
No, my girl.
Lord of the Air!
Now power with no boy from them money. Gangster, they left them guns and we run it. And
them pussy they come and hype up with some little splice mojo. We don't want to hear some mojo now. Hold on.
with no boy. Pussy whatever is a mental sickness you have. You want some guns that have some nice baba. Are you man them find you in the body baba?
Me say the boy them come here talk up them more about mojo this and mojo that. Tell them to make sure say them have some mojo.
Every sound have a right to decide their own destiny.
Tell LP and President.
So me say pass it on the
Read him up.
Fans don't original. The sound called justice is laid. Lord mercy.
I'm me responsible for Florida. Me don't know they let in the pussy them. Tell LP this.
Every sound have a right to decide their own destiny.
Have mercy.
In a justice dance and take on them. No partiality.
All of the money that come for this sound there tonight. Rise the machine and let me see them now. Oh no, we are that one you know. President, your career gone. You're dead right now.
Why so that I tell you what got them?
You ramp with justice, gunshot and you bet.
Tell Kirk is here.
And then you are gonna ramp with justice, gunshot.
Tell blood clot Kirk is here.
Where did I go let you go? If you never did
this, bro.
Where did I go let you go? When I broke them foot and pop them on, where did I go let them?
Beat on some tune, big man.
Champion, where did I go let them go? Justice in my ring number one. But I walk back down contest, we broke them foot and pop them on.
He's a roughneck. A year promotion.
Madonna, but tell Python that.
But they have not rushed on yet to look. I remember see justice at the big son round here.
But come talk to justice, you know the session of it. Just tell him I'm on road to travel. And I might take a long way to go. And anything try to take justice in all the sound class, them pussy I go play zero. Juvenile we shot it up. Bumbo will lock off and pack up. Better about shot it up. This
you see right now, me and some man go beg Bunty killer some tune. I'll put phone Bunty and give them dub. Tell them pussy them this right now, Juvenile.
Hey, Joe, you know it's warlord, motherfucker, niggas. You know I kill them in 24 different styles.
Me say all who wants is so dead tonight.
Son boy fi dead, me say make you go so dead. Cause justice them no care.
Yo!
Shotting on me gun a bust loud.
Florida!
Walk like my man, you care. Them offend me when they know them shouldn't try. Needless to give me no excuse, no.
Tell LP.
Oh, just can't point fly. Well, needless to say no more. Some of this.
When the pussy one boy when you clock you see them.
Not pose up like our hall. Dead in a gully powder hole. Well, so, said them bad but me your friends.
Rubbish.
Hey, juvenile papa, second chance and I know you quit. Blood a run like you.
Tell Kirk you see.
Why run come up in a me magnum boy.
Pose up in a me shotgun boy.
Disrespect me side Lawson. And you know I disappear right here. And no one.
I be a bad man there. Me say all who come for this sound dead tonight. Gun on my ear right now. Gun on.
I say all who love of justice. I say make me so no harm.
Gun on.
All who want hear the justice, but I don't know how.
Lord of the ear.
Me tell about killing pussy and we kill them for fun.
Yo.
Killing that son boy and we kill them for fun. Follow me now. Killing pussy and we kill them.
Hey roughneck.
Killing that son boy.
And we have justice.
Tell them 20 grand and justice, them kill one. Tell them 40 grand and juvenile.
We are gonna write down some pussy hole. So back with us meet out with 10 minutes ago.
That's how they walk, yeah. No, that I'm not dance, that they like, but I wanna try, but I have the fourth and winner.
So
come left it to the down.
all Jamaica, all of the flanker warrior them. Mount View you them. Lord of the Hill. Yo.
Pick up all the youth from over Finland. I they have been it every year sing reggae song. Pick up Europe and they go mash up Japan. Most of contract not the one keep the charm. Burn out Sony and burn out Polygram. It's a mess I can't find.
So Mr. right now.
Anyway we pass out, it's another ram. It's a little fool that never run the.
On the first 10 minutes, we not going like we bother nobody else. Yo!
Ready back again, tell them the set and affair.
Level now, cause just tonight, me say me I get rid of some tune. Cause some pussy I go come lift for some tune later on. Them not spend the money. Read them up me DJ.
A great sound, a big sound, a bad sound, the sound kind justice, the sound kind justice great. Split justice and boss it right into juvenile respect to pick up justice in person man. 10 corner must be overhead. Yo!
The pussy all them come and hype up themselves. But them come from New York.
So I'll bring this Christ and man the pants off for the face of the wall.
He's a beaut.
So the sound kind justice, the sound kind justice great. Split justice and boss it right into juvenile respect to pick up justice in person man. 10 corner.
I be a warrior there in the earliest.
So I don't know why now we wait. I don't want a night.
Watch your box shoot boy.
Bring this Christ and man we shot you in your face. Run off your mouth some boy don't know why now we wait. Find you this the program get erased. Find you this the mass you cannot get it.
Tell me LP.
Big glass mouth you go
step in your face.
Check in your waist and make you know you're out of it.
A Florida dish. Where you find the body set at Jamaican. The body set at every blood clot body. Me say none can't get you out here tonight. Tell blood pussy them this. Tell LP this.
So we have be care for them. The ones that man create we don't be care for them. And if them think I talk we take it there to them. And for this I must send a year for them.
Me say the first round this.
We have be care for them. So right now me bring that one you fair to them. No fair for them. And if I wear them say we.
Me see them got a white man over there so.
But like they stop here. Why you bring them back and them so we send not here. Upa chota upa panse full.
Hold on now. You see I'll blunt them. Me not ready to start kill all them there yet. Cause me sure say a white boy can't kill me a blood clot. Me sure of that.
Come to kill them this year. And where them a go do now?
Me sure.
Now they run away now. Better pack up and leave now.
Lord of the Hill.
I said where them a go do now? Upon them backs them a pray.
Pussy won't stop, pussy LP.
Boy you run away now. Boy, trouble again. I just kiss in the area. Boy, murder again.
Beat out some too.
I see them get up and leak some shot. Them said
hold on, Lever. You see tonight, I slow and easy. Come and say, I be a fuck with them. Set up the thing for already. All of the man that wants to kill Pies with that right now. I write off LP. Go down in a ear like so. So.
Yeah man, justice for them here.
What the foundation you them know? Them a save them for them. Wait till later on.
Justice, I kill them now. Before it's get too late. A lot of songs yes they won't complain, but tell the sound to wait. And the reason why they wanna beat us so badly, because they know.
Oh, we are the rubber dub song. Tell them pussy I want thing tonight.
Justice will never die.
No matter
how
what
they try.
Yo.
Justice will never die. Don't make me kill us.
Yes, you may. I'm in Tika Shane. Me I kill someone for me at 13-year-old in Jamaica. None of them pussy are where you see around here, so. Never kill a sound in Jamaica yet. So if you want to come kill sound around here, so now. You tell the youth around here for food. You see right now, it's the true, we don't know the fuckery. Give me a lot of deal artist right now from early. We're with him, but they're not telling me who, that's with him.
LP, Blunt Posse. Go back to New York, go suck out on the New York. Mama, rhythm shock. Lord clot, justice I go kill them. I'll poison that you're dead to you know. Black Rose, straight blood clot.
Now you tell me one cut, listen him.
Oh, justice might kill them for sure.
Lighter!
Boy, dead right there, you wanna get us?
Yo!
It's not justice going to kill you. Black Rose going get some.
Hey, well on the youth. He's about to put you back, cause it's not too normal, you know. Read him up.
LP, Blunt Posse. Go back to New York, go suck out on the New York. Mama, rhythm shock. Lord clot, justice I go kill them. I'll poison that you're dead to you know. Black Rose, straight blood clot for you. Remember this.
All of the man respect what they can lighter.
Justice going.
Lord of the youth. Turn on the lights on them youth.
Juvenile ready for lock up.
Jacksonville.
Boy, dead right there, you wanna get us? Yo.
I start justice going kill you. Black Rose going get some blood clot boo. And we get murder any day.
What on man?
Right in the thick of dub. Why kill Blunt Posse with dub? Why them actress like y'all every day?
Tell the pussy them you.
Beyond there's no room left to room. And don't clash every time hurt. Blunt Posse we kill you first. Hey boy who don't just flirt. Justice why kill no.
Tell them pussy.
Justice I kill off all of them idiot people.
Yo! Hey, at the first round, I'm going to say, them come from the crown. The boy, hey, I want to look a Rasta boy of a pies with that. That little pussy there. Come for thief Emmanuel Crown and say, I'm a Rasta man. I will go give him some kick out of my big boot tonight. Hold on. Where next on there? MC, come in.
Give it up for Justice. Big up Justice Jacksonville Notorious, yeah. For real. All right. Hey, don't forget July 1st, right here. It's all about VIP Fridays, Hibiscus. You know what I'm saying? Hosted by the 93.5 family. Don't forget 93.5 is back on the map. Tune in every day, all right? VIP Fridays right here. Everyone free before 12 o'clock. New management, new promotion. Big up Mikey, Mike, and Lady D and the whole crew. But right, you know, coming all the way from Orlando City. It's all about the song. Not a red rose, black rose. Where's my friend?
My youth, come here, man. You messing up? Oh, when you bring on the whole I saw them, make be nice.
Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Hey, that's what happens when you come late. When you come late, so I never see you. All the way from Orlando, Black Rose.
Don't make it up now again. Bumbuckler. What a fool of the deal. On the blood clot. This a night. Free up on yourself. Big up all I sound them. Pies down. See everybody are running you forward. I lead my friend. Big up courtesy. Them can't hold you forward. But we notice some night everybody come in and no man no say nothing. Everybody says, Ray, Pies and that, LP. What? LP and Pies that alone I dance. Me now beg no friend from no blood clot. The whole of them dead. Let me tune.
Hey yo, a Black Rose sound is forever. You see me I say, we stay with it big 45 and 7.
And the blood clot down. Rise up the gun on them. The
favor squad.
How now rap it around here?
You don't know Dave and the whole works. You want Blacks, you see me I say, I want to the order that. You see me I say, some boy if you know this, go like this. You see me I say, Black Rose. These dance remind me of quicksand. Son boy, when you win it, you keep going down. And there's no one to hold on to, and there's no one to pull you out. You keep on falling, and no one can hear you calling. So you end up self-destructing. Pound the corner with my toolie on the waistline. Just gotta put a bin.
Ah, look up, this is son, blood clot, that gun on that blood clot here. Yeah. Kill sound. I'm going to say big up yourself for the Black Rose, yes sir. Rastafari the Almighty, I big myself for the you and dead stay up. I beg no friend, the whole out of them, suck on them, man. War them, bumbuckler. Ah, lose the confidence, gun on the blood clot here. So son, boy, yo, son of the blood clot here, so the rapping road, I know. How would I rap with? You see, I lose the confidence, gun on the blood clot here. Blood clot here. All of our people, let y'all in the church. Yo, me say me gonna lock on the blood clot in here. Yo, video man, shine the light for me. Shine the light for me, man. Body still work. Me say shine the light for me. Yo, me say the one sound get good on the blood clot here. Yo, that's the last star wheel. Yo, don't be so what? LP, Blunt Posse, Justice. The whole of them suck out to the moment, I'm afraid of no. Batman down here. You think me out for fire my gun? When me go around, me rise my blood clot gun. All who are real, gun in my ear. Wicked and destroy. I don't sound why. Black Rose, you don't need this lie. The whole of them are dead like baptized. Tell them we no take no lullaby. Wicked and destroy. I don't sound why. Call and leave, you know name this lie. The whole of them are dead like baptized. Tell them we no take no lullaby. Them think I know me no sound clash. How the some man? Some man, I see the little kangaroo and I saw a while ago jump up, but if I kill sound. My you can't kill no man boy. When you kill sound in Jamaica, nobody don't know you gonna suck your mama. Read him up! Yeah! I'm gonna say big up yourself for the Black Rose, yes sir. Any pussy coming and call me them dead. Big up yourself for the you and dead stays up blacks. Black Rose sound you dumb though. War them buckle out all the time. Wrong one, play the wrong one. Wrong one, not do me that. Not do me that. Set up the thing there man, I want to know. Read him up. Not do me that. Everything alright. Everything alright. May I turn them boy now forward. Read him again. Call on just say me artist.
Say you love Jack. Well, you must have foot pan your lip and come and run off your mouth. See the trigger, you me press it and turn off your mouth. Oh, go suck you before the move come on. Me nozzle, spit fire and a burn off your mouth. You man, that is the man. Yo, Black Rose, a little play. Yo, let me take them. AK spray, kill off all day. Yo, ready man. So much you don't know, it's Black Rose, the flavor unit. I was the DJ, tell them to be a viewer, and I get the blacks. Some boy, I tell them about and about from last week. Look up for the sound for the good and nice guy. Come on, about it. Good and nice guy. We are bad from the circle and diamond sack. Yo, set it again. Set it again. Set it again. Set it again. We are bad from the circle
World class and diamond from inside her chest. We are bad from
One papa camel back.
Oh, yeah.
Bed spring and make slingshot.
We are bad from
Before Bob Marley start laugh. Before Muhammad Ali start box.
We are bad from
Long.
Yeah, me say first round, the sound can't get eliminated. Me I play easy.
From before Brazil and Italy start clash. Before Pele play the first match.
Oh, we are bad from
Before Benz them build them
Ghost Gas.
And Rolex build them first one.
Oh, we are bad from
Before Ku Klux Klan.
I never seen this thing, I get it together, you know? We are bad from
Before Hiroshima.
Read him again, man.
Before Pearl Harbor get knocked. We are bad from
This is my first killer from now. All the way bounty killer, gun under here, gun under here. Gun under bounty.
What you say this time?
We have a gun against it all night. All this is that you know, so I like life. What's the time? What do they? It is bad, but we make bad like this.
You watch out for never tell me. Like past things I don't never look at me.
When bad man arrive, I must leave.
You know you will take more murder of me. Say my murder, but now we my big man please. And about like baby in the funny knees. When black goes for food, but back please.
Give me the next one. Give me a next killer.
Well,
them a friend when them go to shut try. Hey, let's go back on and about.
stop right now.
Suck your woman.
No more.
I'll lose the sound again.
Some boy with the
We not gonna hear him.
What the things that keep
Bumbo cloud on him.
we only want some ganja chasing. Overtake people and
And the rest is
when times are dead man taking. Me got the great and I'm gonna touch it. This is not that trend, I'm a warning. So I'm gonna live before I'm
morning.
None of us. To me, I'm gonna not be a
Let me hold. You ready to kill tune again?
Massive. This is Black Rose sound.
Yeah.
And them push all over there, so anytime them disrespect, bust them with some back like gunshot or something. Big up yourself, King Dave. You want to stay so DJ tell. Anytime we clash, blood class, sound go for dead. You have no big up.
Yo, this a sound, me come my tune them different, me respond for them man.
Yeah. And so I'm gonna start.
One them first.
Hey. I'm from a place where there's only love.
Oh,
where the sun comes up every morning.
Bro, I like that one of the pussy.
The upright Black Rose family, we love our word.
Oh God!
If praises.
If I saw them say they run New York, I need to move go up there.
So them on a bad man. So get away, step away from your stinking self.
Alright.
Please do no wrong.
I'll lose a sound for them. Point the gun out to the sky. Point them, point them, point them.
Watch yourself. That's much better.
What at the go? What at over there, so?
Black Rose sound.
We ain't got no friends. Boy, and I like this Black Rose, we ain't got
no friends.
What on the man?
And I hate my fucking enemies with cruel hatred. Black Rose.
No one of them say them a big sound like business.
Oh,
they don't want to let in killer sound like me. They don't want to let super blacks like business. You see any of them let me in like business. Black Rose will take it over. And you have nothing to fear, we take it over. Right on the buckler.
We take it up. And we take it home. And we take it home. And we take it over. Black Rose. Right on. And we got nothing to fear, we take it over. Yo, righteousness, we are the grave. We take it home. And we take it home.
Tell them me artists, no boy places like me around here.
Black Rose, we ain't got no friends.
We can't play the rhythm and play the ganja man show.
Hey, man,
all I'm gonna about the ice cream. Turn on the light to them. Turn on the light to them, man.
Oh, so
that's just the way it is, Black Rose. Just the way it is. That's just the way it is. We smoking marijuana anyway. Hold on, man. All I'm money in the coke in your family. I strictly agree. Remember, see light to them. Turn on the light to them round here. We got some on them there. Oh, yeah. Somebody ever get a home time. We're not going to stop this one. Hey. All of my time, man, body's thing round here. So go tell them, this is a AK. It's a buckler. All who red Black Rose sound, gun on nice sky. Fuller than the yellow. We are the roughest. But the blood clot. Big tunes, we play the dope. Alright. I don't notice me coming and I hold up a long talking door. I don't know, say I play a tune, I play around here. All who want the blood clot, gun on the ear. Gun on the ear. Remember Black Rose, them not chase. And them not horse. And them... Suck your mama there, tell your man like post one to you.
Remember
Black Rose, them not stress, and them not boss. When them pop it on Black Rose.
Some man play a big tune. I wanted them already. None of them not big tune. I'm gonna suck out to the woman again.
And those Black Rose, them not run. And them not fight. Stand up in a big dance, hold fast fight. Black Rose, them not slip. And them not slip.
Hold on, man. 2 minutes, that means I told you. Tell me. Me the one danger coming about. Oh, the body set a man, them come from Brooklyn. I want to hear, so what you say? No bad man, I don't have Bumbuckler, Florida. I just say this blood clot Floridian. I don't get so gun blood clot legal. Yo, the real gangster them don't get turn on the Bumbuckler. Turn it on.
We do as a support.
Bumbuckler, suck your mama about. How are you?
Gunshot in them left pocket and them clothes.
Me come to kill everything.
Boy, dead. Black.
Any time I talk about the girl pussy where you suck a filly. Yo boy danger, you Bowers. Suck your mama. Now kill one out the road. Let go. Hey. Oh, if you say no gun on your blood clot Florida, you mad? Gangster. Pile up all of the gun there. Yo. Yo, we can't say the bite the gun on them there. Lord. Shoot up killer with a shooter. Hey. You ready? Danger run off him up, bad man. Go suck your mama pussy.
Black Rose on the route of people. This is like a lunge.
Him say I run New York. If I saw him I run New York, I'm a batty blood clot boy. Bye bye me. But I never heard of him. Black Rose I heard of him.
Well, this is when war starts. One sound has to go home. One sound will begin to eliminate this round. Alright? But I want to ask you one question. Who is leading the dance? Is it LP? Is it Poison Dad? Easy, easy, easy. Circle, circle. Is it Justice? Ooh. Is it Black Rose? Well, I ain't done yet. Calm down. All the way from the Bronx. What about Blunt Posse? Alright. Okay, so we say I lead. Is it Poison Dad? Is it Black Rose? Alright, time around. Fuck that. Right now, coming up next, all the way from New York City, Danger and LP family.
Big man, you never analyze the time. 10 minutes. Easy, you know. 10 minutes. Cheer one. Alright, good. People, the referee, him not decide, him not answer the people them. Him not answer, oh, big man, take a look at Twitter for microphone. Because my voice kind of crystal clear. You know what I say? Yeah, take a look at bass though. See? So far, I'm not going to tell the blood cloud dance ago. So far, 2 sons around neck and neck for last place. Blunt Posse and Justice, right? Yeah, wrong or right? 2 of them are run for last place, wrong or right? Big up Black Rose, not go on good. Pies not go on good. Not go on nothing. Yeah, but Blunt, don't come with that King of New York bullshit no more. Not me tell myself so I'm King of New York. The people them crown me king. You're the motherfucking butler. Yeah, you're the butler of the palace. Yeah. You see me I say? Right now, we're going to take the dance at a different level. Separate the boys from the blood clot men. Rhythm.
LP Sound boy. Sound boy.
We're going to separate the boys from the men.
Sound boy.
That level. All who pay their money tonight, we witness blood clot force on them. To another year, your Maxi Priest.
Now that you lose, you better in and salute. LP son is gonna murder you. And it's breaking your heart that we're leading. So why you grieving? Why you ever try to test the LP crew? You know that Puma gonna murder you. So why definitely have to get a beat.
LP what?
Oh, LP sound a worldwide sound.
That last them nasty ras.
LP International spread. One come treat
I rejectedly. About LP. This is Apple Gabriel in the house.
People, this is taking candy from a fucking baby. Black Rose, big up. We have a rental selector tonight, big up. Genius, my friend, big.
Respect to the New York posse.
Original Venom selector, big up.
Read
him up.
Higher ranks.
Read him up. Read him up.
Wow! This one straight to a sound wide bomb.
All who know say no why you no fuck with you tonight. 200 years. 200 years. Down there.
One come treat I rejectedly. About LP2 culturally. No one iPad Int.Vs. And things say you're done with me. This a LP shuffling.
Done them.
Tell ya.
What are they? Them say poison that justice, blunt pussy. We are cruise, we are spoon. First, second round actually. Yeah, second round.
Killamari come back alone. Skylarking.
Yo!
Skylarking. That is why I sing Pandu, yeah.
People will now come tonight, come play one bag of weddy jiggy jiggy jiggy. A big man thing, a big man blood clot thing. Read him up.
International.
All who come visit Sunday tonight, who want some gun and a lighter, then box them back. Ready again.
Son boy, don't put your hat where you can't reach it. It doesn't make no sense.
Run them.
Put things up on for it. Adjust yourself to the life you can afford to live.
You're done, big man level.
We are in towards your son. Oh yeah.
Big man level.
Oh yeah.
Big man level.
Good day. Run, come test the LP and then up dig you one grave. Run, come test the LP and then up dig you one.
Me and them pussy that play some little country from night down.
They step back tonight. That's right. I wanna take back that street night non-stop.
All the bad man them are your tune, listen.
Sure. Beacon, man, rise, boy, and make no nice. You diss the LP, you get the shot between your eyes. Your life depend the line, the fast, you just to realize them get gunshot to the brain. Centuries.
All who know say even if you have a dollar in your pocket, you still a blood clot live up. All who not beg nobody nothing, 200 blood clots here. Black man, black woman. Yo, sizzler.
After. Wow, they can't keep a good man down. Keep my joy when they want us to frown. Rastafari sit up on the ground.
Done, 10 minutes now, we're not wasting time.
Take thy crown.
Yo!
Out of place, I say no man curse. Things getting better.
All who know see a pay come in tonight, you know beg come in. All who pay them money 200 years. Wow! 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 Hey! And this is we solid as a law. Let them off! Let them off! Let them off!
Do them some, LP. Do them some. Yeah, them some. Hey, watch those places you're walking, mind the thing you got. Watch out for the vampires who will sneak up in the dark.
Yo!
Watch out for the tin pan sounds who claim say that they're smart.
All who say justice for blood clot lock off 200 a year. All who say justice for lock off. Every side I run red. LP a kill another son. Let him bounty. Let him bounty. Let him. Bumbo clot.
LPSM, do you see what you wanna say when you look at we? Do you say what you wanna say when you watch at we?
Level. Well on there. A little dirty blood class sound I come talk about Buju. A little dirty blood class sound I come talk about Buju. Pussy one!
When LP are rolling up our report to
Pussy one! Go suck your mama! Go suck your mama!
Just patience to pick up Margaret and do a good
Thugs and pension, then roll out quick and over.
What on there? The boy we are play Justice. A black magic son in Pussy will try to play a Brooklyn. And run and left New York and come at him a bad man. Pussy, New York niggas are the toughest blood clot niggas. Don't you?
Original New York Raku. Come to tell you all the rules why them run the black in all day.
Let me tell you about blood clot Brooklyn. Let me tell you.
Every black get black. You're touching on 90s. Around the corner that. If you touch a Parkside Ratty, I'm the place lock. Over Lincoln and Try was over Radical Spot. I'm a second addict. We control you lot. Shoot and run man at the shop and Pussy. What's up the man where you find the blood clash. London on the ring. London.
Don't tell a little nerd. Don't get one with Preserve, go down and preserve. Wanna fly up like a bird, send them back in at the past like Richard the Third. Yo, you never heard, when don't mince me word. LP chat the mind, we speech we no curse.
Pussy, we're gonna play a blood clot international New York artist. Now look a blood clot baby, we're not blood clot.
Brooklyn, stand the fuck up.
Hey.
This is international. Brooklyn, stand the fuck up. Yeah, let's go.
All my motherfucking gangsters, put your guns in the fucking air.
Convict music. Hey, 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 hey.
People, LP up a winning streak. We kill over blood clot 10 zone, I missing already.
Music. I'm steady trying to find a motive. Why sound boys do what they do? The sound clash is getting close.
Who we kill?
LP is gonna kill.
Who we kill?
LP is playing, but your sound is dying.
Who we kill?
And your sound is flopping. Now that you done test LP, you just fucked up. Just murdered Mataran.
Just that.
You just murdered Fireboy. You just fucked
just
up.
that.
You just murdered Mighty Crown. Oh,
we son there.
Fuck all of them.
We son there.
Fucked up. Just murdered Blunt Posse.
Just there.
Just murdered Soundwise. You fucked up. Just murdered Stilly Bash. Oh, fuck all of these sounds.
You see how King of New York blood clot play tune? We kill every bumbo clot in New York. Then we play a blood clot up with them. From tonight, you have say LP Ghostbusters. Okay? We are killing some blood clot up tonight. So right now in MC, say a thing, blast.
It's New York in the house. Give it up for the LP International. I'm a good friend Danger and the whole crew. Yeah. Always say one sound Africa, we don't know who. But coming up next, it's Florida's Notorious Poison, Dog.
Well, alright. Alright, LP, it's sticky for you. Me don't know. Yeah, hear me? How with them Poison Dog, Florida's most notorious. Right now, Lauderdale, as me say, we set pace and boy follow. You understand me? And tonight we are separate men from boys. You understand me? So it's right now, courtesy. Drop the blood clot through there.
Mighty Poison Dart, ready for kill. Mighty Poison Dart.
All who's the sound for them, let me see light on the button on. Fire!
Mighty Poison Dart, ready for kill. Mighty Poison Dart, ready for kill.
We say from sound for them, no one see going on there.
We are gonna kill you, Bumba Clot.
Let me ask them this, Bumba Clot. Lord of Deal.
Wait a minute.
Me ask them blood clot this.
Before you play your
Ask them.
what can you do to stop your son from dying? I say, now nothing you can do to
Drop
stop
a
your
blood
son
clot.
from
I will
dying.
run it. I will.
Oh, some sound boy I go on some man.
All who say sound for them.
start the little coffin and go purchase your read. Funeral shop, my son, and look food to eat.
Yeah, but why you the answer? Because of them Lord of the
Them head, on them belly sound, and moan, and a weep, fight Lord about your head. Your belly sound, boy. Till all your sound, you have your silly sound, boy.
You see blood clot LP.
And well, one fist.
You see blood and bumper clot justice.
Select a boy, you're dead, so them will go. Ace make way.
Cause this is murder, murder, murder. Some boy, yes, you're dead. Lots of people keep on dancing to the champion sound.
All lose a sound for them now. Right on.
Killing a sound boy is poison dog enjoyment. Some boy you dead in at the downs, the downs, the downs. Poison dog till you sound loud.
They want them from Lauderdale.
Dog till you sound loud.
They want them from New York.
Some boy you dead in at the downs, the downs, the downs.
They want them from Orlando.
Look how you lose the client.
Remember them pussy and know what to sing.
But not them, them so we better than them. Real bad man stand madder than them. Red man no more shatter than them. We fuck them girlfriend hotter than them panto.
Me and some man coming from early out and I play Israel Vibration. I want to read tune for tune. I want to know. I want the blood clot don't know. Drop that tune that courtesy.
Watch it.
Keep giving them proud.
All the red boys are down. Let me see going on there.
No sound, no sound. Can't test the poison dart sound. No sound, no sound. Can't play like poison dart sound.
Listen, all who say sound for them. Let me see going on them again. Who are you the hand them a blow? Me why you the hand them a blow? Right now, Lord of the Assassin, kill them, push them.
Tarantula. Don't you see? Lord boy, push up your gun finger now, cause I know gun finger now. Like a pumpkin, you know. If you dance up on the boat, we say gun finger, you know. Anywhere we make another man, jump in, you know. And the pick it up.
Some boy come in here and chat about badness. Some boy a chat about them come from New York. We want them do one thing, blood clot, LP and blood.
Yo, Poison Dart.
Pussy one danger.
Poison Dart have been bad man. We must fight for blast and prove we bad man.
Hey, I saw a thing set up. Me and you would come in here and say, oh, he more blood clot tarantula. Tarantula till I say more man. No man pump Poison Dart, no fuck body blood. All who say body man for them just clad.
I ban come see.
Base,
that did make other money.
Blood.
Nobody boy come out. One promote other man Steve. But Jaja go take their life away.
Me want to see light on it.
From you no support body boy, wave your guns in the air.
Yes, man, tie this.
Over the wall and don't care. Even though you know say Poison Dart and a bad man sound. Even though you know say Kirkisy. Even though bad man sound them for know that. Even though bad ras. When them say shot. Even though
Lord of the
yeah.
Lord of the
now.
Rope up. Rising on that struggle. Wow.
Them tired of some men's Poison Dart not keep friends with.
That me hear some pussy and
them say them wild. Them got this man from Ireland, a man from over New York. Come on, them not pet no boy who never fuck a party gun.
Rising on and them photo boys.
Poison Dart, kill them bumbo clad.
Who not got them? Afraid of God. Who not afraid of God? No blood clot then.
Okay. How many times I have to tell you Poison Dart sound will kill you?
What the first one?
Just have some patience and that won't see you through. See you through.
Lord of the
Selassie is the only one that it puts above you.
Mr. Me, I separate the man from blood clot boys.
The fire won't see your little dreams too. Poison Dart just kill a little sound. Don't play to use and fling.
Yeah, some boy coming here, so them come from New York. One day, so them name Justice, but them come from blood clot Jacksonville. You know what Justice? You know what?
So they say up to the damn Kirkisy, me so watch a shatter. I told them, Teflons.
Pussy want Justice.
Fucking matter, right? Yo. Tell me no care where you're bad from. 98's where you're shot from.
Gunshot make you fall like the bridge over London. When he kick you like Van Damme. You want this poison that? And me buck you over Boston. Head up plus like Gaston. Bullet with gunpowder, no last for no last man. This courtesy, bad man, push your head.
Yo! I'll lose the sound for them. Let me see the gun on them again. Who want to see light on them? Over there, so. Over here, so. Rising on us! Rise them! Rise them!
First thing we do when the war start, we a kill off them rascals. Then we push the body up.
Rising gun on them!
Them choosing this poison dart. Courtesy, kill them up.
You know them can't kill poison dart. None of them pussy they can't kill poison dart. Get over, boy!
I have poison dart. No got no guns like mine, no KG9, courtesy, boss boy be get a mix man. Me say one at a time, bad boy farm line, shut up, carbine, moon no
me hear some blood clot assassin up here. What do I hear assassin? What do I hear blood clot assassin?
I roll on the stair with the I understand. I hear me now. Why is it that? Bang billy bang billy bang bang, bang billy bang bang, bang bang, bang billy bang bang billy bang bang billy 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 bang bang, bang 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 bang, bang bang billy bang, bang 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 bang, bang billy bang bang billy bang bang. Give me the price of that. It name bang billy bang bang bang. Y'all them a cry for the John call them no. So feet past the fish, so we sang to the song. No, me not Cisco, but me like to see that song till it tang. It's no 1 minute man.
One if I tune for the money.
That song we got this, I mean not daddy. Walk them long with me, long.
Yes, tonight, a 2 war poison out of fight. We are fighting the US Rumble for Atlanta. And tonight we are king of USA, a lot of deal. But you know what? We are killing every pussy wall, so you know what? Drop that tune.
Oh, yaga. Oh, yaga.
What the bad man them there?
I never want hold the gun without the gloves up on the general hand. Them couldn't find fingerprint upon we murder weapon.
Man, them know.
But it's not do anything that you want with two, but not long.
Some blood clot sound boy coming here just have them more. I mean them Chris Rock, we want to pussy them more.
Don't be give on ya.
Me want it too.
So in front of station, boy watch out.
Me hear some good job play, me hear some splice one, some tie-up one, and I want them there. Courtesy, drop the blood clot, Bujo. Bujo.
Easy, Ushman.
Bujo.
You see, when gunshot goes down, we go shell off a wall. Despite that sound, your sound went fall. Courtesy no easy at all. A blood will make fast the old back. Why? Cause we no drill people, we kill people. That's why you bring a you was funny pain. Even good, bad, we don't fear that you. And the wrong sound, you're trouble. And when you
Justice. On an ungrateful no blood clot. When you come here and call up poison that name, I will make a laptop that go to one of blood clot plate and I'm killing a pussy clot. Drop the one here! Drop the one here! Justice matter here! Suck on the woman!
Some of us are art. I'ma really take your battle, yes. When the blood clot, you know about shot a race. See, you know you get the clock a race. But a gunshot you get your
I want another day, never everything like a brother.
I'ma really take your battle, yes. When the blood clot, you know about shot a race. See, you know you make that clock a race. But a gunshot you get your
Jump, pull up. Hey, where's the final one? This bumbo clot. I said that run fast. Hey, it's tricky on here. But here what? Some boy come from New York and talk about king of this and them a fight the king of that. Make me tell you something. Pussy wall justice. Pussy wall blunt. Pussy wall LP. Let me tell you this. I talk about king. King of the mama is only one king there in New York and a king of this. Suck on the mama. Hey, I wanna. Drop the one out!
We didn't play. You have a courtesy with your TNT, red man. When the boy disrespect when they are dead man, you understand?
And the last one to know.
And we also talk on a pet and pump.
Well, not the bad man them there. Rope up.
Surprise that.
What do you have bad man them?
Yo, tell them so we lock gun, we stop gun, pile up, we back up, rifle and shot.
MC.
Give it up for Poison Dart. Nah, man. Give it up for Poison Dart. To them. Lord fire. Right you now. Coming all the way from New York City. All the way from the Bronx. Blunt Posse, my good friend Ajax. Where you say, my friend?
Them say elimination round now, and now it gets sticky. If you're not a blood clot tune, you better come out of golf. Cause them little boogie yaka back when me I hear play. Remember. Big up Poison that, you not go on good. Your fans them love you. You load up the place with the people, them rate you for that. Push your sound any blood clot way. I get it, you see me? One thing me no rate with you do, courtesy. You have your blood clot MC, I big up next dance, somewhere else. A chin dance. Come out a chin batty wall. You know see chin carry go blood clot, Jamaica world clash and take you make poppy show. Run when blood clot, build your sound by yourself. Else you are dead. And ring out your father, auntie, brother, sister, and our 2 cousins them.
So father blood Ajax, but them boy they want a war. Well guess what? War, we get them a war, yo. I clash them one, then I clash them I go get. What them feel? I was 7 Posse. Tonight some pussy hole, I get some shots in all them faces. Pack them, I go pack, I hope them bring them suitcases. Father blunt a murder, anything will pass them places. Push stealing of them out like a bumper clad braces. Ajax come for bust them head like a pier.
They say we not run left it. We buckle it out.
So who said
that 1 million somebody points to not bring it here. I war it out to you.
Yeah. Maybe
Justice on a weak fence. We not even backyard, you know.
Like some debating, yeah.
Black Rose, you play about 3 blood clot tunes. Remember that blood clot, you're supposed to eliminate already.
Who them? Well, if a pussy want war, you know we are gonna deal with the case. Cause peace, I saw my age, I keep for them ways.
You have some pussy come a blood clot clash. And I play a love tune. I play a love tune.
I don't know if I blunt posse when I take a pair of posse. All them a watch me, you know? Yeah. Lay by the king.
Some pussy come a war, play a love tune.
We tell them say, Bamba will take them bad like a steel blade, line up them chests. Tell them say you blunt them feel test. From this murder, I won't have no mercy, we must not regret. People got a shot of pussy get. Them feel say them bad like them take father blunt for your fraud. Shoot them in a feed them backyard. Well, same place front of them brethren, them dead like a dog. Them a collect all reward for bad man. No for them want to be bad man. No for them trying to be bad man. Would I do anything to be a bad man? A bad man. Bad man. But I know for them I wish them was bad man. I come with all them kitchen bitch how them a bad man.
And pussy, if you have blood clot question with Sizzla Cartel, here one more, yeah, brand new. One more.
Tell them. Alright then. No apology, that I mean your knowledge. Blood passing no believe in a party psychology. No apology, that I mean your knowledge. Blood never see man to man in a biology. No apology, that I mean your knowledge.
Hold on, take out the bass, sister. Take out the bass.
Biology, kappa. No apology, that I mean your knowledge. Boom,
Sizzla.
Some mama said to them, make them know I know man. Don't tell me good them, ask them man what them I do man. Sit no more said to them, make them know I know man. Don't tell me them, ask them man what them I do man. Hey, Dada, hey. When them get so big, Father Blunt, we not apologize.
We not have to hide up with blood clot tune.
When he was saying son found out what I did. Hey, no priest can pull my picnic bib. Me know say if it's from Adam rib. Bronx, straightforward like foreign.
Listen, we are say who have caliber blood clot tune. This is Fling Dog, Vibes Cartel, listen good.
Blood Posse have a problem, no one will help them solve the case. About them they yard, some boy ramsack the base. The neighbors see them face, them hang up, me know the base mode. I want to put it on, but all the card I got grace, Carter, what me do? No say nothing, me a go link you now. Me a bring bullet by the back, see
hold up there. Poison Art fans, boo. If Kirk is here, fuck your boo. So I tell you, alright. You see right you know? You see right, me as a selector what? Me guarantee say my heart clean. Me no bad man. Me there do me thing. Kirk is say, reason with your boyfriend them. Talk to them. Make them know who is blood clot, blunt posse. Alright, may I say if your blood clot bias now. Anyone out of blood clot can find this bomber clot.
Out in the street,
yeah.
they call it further.
So Father Blunt and Ajax are
Bronx where the thugs them.
You see, say everybody else I give forward but 4 man. You see who bad mind now? Alright, now entertain the rest of people who pay them money. Now the blood clot people them when courtesy sneak in, you know. Me not entertain them a blood clot. Play the tune. Play the tune. Play the tune. Engineer. Hey, you know what? Me not this engineer again, you know, because it come like the man a spite me now. I play it on the side. I play it. It just turn on, King. Alright. At least be fair. Get the engineer blood clot boo now. Climb up bicycle. Give him a boo. Alright. See, all engineer tell me boo, my mother. Alright, engineer. Take that blood clot tune and fall up under your stinking nasty granny. Read him. Read him. Take me afraid of you. Step up in your blood clot.
Blunt and nature, so Bronx where the thugs them camp at any sound test. Blunt in a sound clot, get up in a face, top in a gut and top in a head back.
You know what? You play engineer. You come play the sound then. Since that's all you know what I'm going to play. You play the sound then. Come on, man.
Hold on. Calm down. Ajax. Family, one family. Hey, hold on. And we blunt. Listen. Hold on. No. Hold on. Are your time. But when I touch nothing, I was back there. I was chilling with them. They ain't touch nothing.
Yo, you say we not touch nothing. You're MC or you're vote stream king. Look here. You hear that? You hear it? So I know my sound. I knew you could come from the king. Me not bring no sound here. Alright, here we go on. We will back out and make you step in our war and deal with it then. Oh, that sound. Eh? Fear is fear. It's set now. Respect here, father. Respect. Watch try it again.
Yeah, me tell them say blunt posse to the fullest. I tell them say Ajax, you're the terriblest thing.
Big respect to all our people when come take in the clash. You see me?
I say not.
But this is when we get cross, we start forget about them things. Trust me.
Ballers, the whole of New York City. A blunt posse, I hold it up in the terriblest thing. I tell them say the living fire truck friend alongside Richard Spice. Say Spice, where you there?
Holy eyes for that CIA.
Alright, we're going now one of a kind juggling now. A blunt posse sound, we now make them blood clot this up with stride. God again!
I don't like the way they're playing, because the way they're playing is sticking. They fight the youth from them out of their juggling.
Because lazy. Hey, this a truck vendor, Richard Spice. Caliber.
Posse, hear me now. Alright. Blunt to kill a sound boy every day. Blunt posse now go wrap up, now play. Yeah, now cry for no sound out there.
Hey, I hear some pussy I play vintage bujo. Brand new bujo now. Brand new bujo.
Hear this. Don't pass it, guns, them, I must not on the list. Punk just expose what them, I want them straight. One thing man would have make on get away on a put a fast like burst. With no criminal expertise. This boss in a New York, all criminal phrase. One piece of rumble, it a cast out that. A ball out piece and go shot, kill it praise.
Why I put you that?
Meditate and see the wicked man, how them a head weight. How approach Ajax with idiot stage. You think we guns them in a hot bitch. Anything we want, why within we reach. House and not the dread can't pass a ring straight. Move them in clocks, boy.
Hey, it's a gun. Everybody have gun. Gun on or nothing.
Say we have some guns. We tear off concrete columns and put the big hole through them lungs.
We have some guns.
The knuckle them big like drums. Skin big like national guns. Ajax guns. It make detectives like the crime scene.
Run for that.
Down from Israel, K from Russia, Berita from Italy, Adiva the flusher. Tell Anthony B.
Why work with the fight same way, man? When I get a sound, we must make it
burn like Usher. When you see me coming, draw down window shutter. Me kill, me no chatter, me no chopper, me no cutter. Tell gun melt your tongue, that's your utter. That's me that is say, I can't believe it's not utter. Every time in a blunt mind.
Wait, say one more.
When me drive,
at least half I run, guys.
Nice him cover. You are blunt, aka who tougher. We have some good.
I hear them talk about blood clot caliber tune Fort Lauderdale. Alright. This is caliber tune. Caliber blood clot tune. Marcia Griffiths and Bersa, man.
Oh, well, them little idiot son boy I go a string up. Blunt Posse I go string you up tonight, you know. Remember me tell you that Marcia Griffiths said so. Big up yourself, Ajax. Father Blunt, how you run things. Very sleepy. One in the world every time.
For real, you know?
Do-dum, 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 yeah. Do-dum, do-dum, do-dum.
You do,
Me say I want tweet I could have play. We are fighting same way.
Blunt Posse is playing in the area. Idiot sound boy move from Boja. You won't recover. Yeah, that's what's going on, yeah.
If you should see a son boy crying, don't ask his Blunt Posse killing.
Why go on the caliber show? Why work with that son at the best we can? You see me? We're not fighting.
Oh, it could be you, not me. We'll kill you for free. Blunt Posse, don't worry. Oh, play on.
Respect. Cause it's hard when you play and I war against 4 sound plus a blood clot engineer now. We still have fight it out, you know. So MC, do your thing.
Yeah, for real. Big up, one. Alright. Black people, calm down. Give it up for the Blunt Posse them. Right, you know, it's all about Jacksonville Notorious. Justice step up, no long talking.
Yo. Well, that's right now, people. Me not know the fuck, you know. Cause some man talk about suck this and pussy that all night. Me I play with, you see, over name not start with P, start with B. You see what me I say? You see that boy over there, so, one name Ajax. When I stop using mouth clean all people toilet bowl and them thing there. Me no, you know no fucking with no body boy around here tonight. You see what me I say? Read him up and tell me we get some make we lock it down, sir. Yeah, read him.
My God, Twin of Twins representing for the justice movements, and I must say respect to Juvenile. Yes, we are here, we are going to kill quite a few sounds, and I must begin with Blunt Posse. Hold on there, I want to correct you, it's Blunt Posse, you know. No, I beg to differ as a result of the fact that it's a well-known fact that men are fucking them. So one can safely say, Blunt Posse, they are impersonating the characteristics of a pum-pum, but a pum-pum, a real pussy can never be substituted. So all these motherfuckers must definitely be executed. My God.
Yes, right now, make you murder the blood clot pussy them now.
Just
yo,
chat now.
Pussy what are you doing? Tell them boy that is now. Let them know.
Kill them again, kill them again. Just them again, just them again. Justice a sound killer.
Show me, sir. All of the man ever tired of the boring thing I want to see sound dead. Gun under the blood clot here right now. Rise the gun on them. Rise them up.
Well, I said, indeed, my friend, me not joke, me not laugh. Enough time, man, make this a mad number start.
Very big 45 pop off.
The pussy can't talk.
Me say, all who want to see sound dead.
Have me gun, in me and me not joke, me not play. I wish at you, from your night come.
All lose their blood clot LP for dead. Rise the gun on them. Rise them. Pussy life, God. The pussy come from Florida, come from the court. Remember right to my far right now.
Shut down, we start on.
Remember right off LP and pussy with blood.
Justice still free for
no purpose, them go.
And not.
Shut up!
Motherfucking niggas should know deny everything. Motherfucking niggas should know run that. Hey yo, Juvenile.
Mr. Me no long talking. Yeah.
Hey yo, you know.
Come see some man come and compare me some little batty boy.
Hey yo, you know. Shut down.
All of the man know say the boy can't run no batty joke with your gun on.
Justice still faithful.
Gun on.
Perplex them gun on. And a nation we go down. Perplex the flex on me.
You see the pussy already in blood clot danger.
Why got this top on top? No Teflons left them on a This justice make a shot. Them get up.
And Jacksonville me come from pussy. Know this. Them pussy they come and talk about them a bad man from New York. Them boy they never mash a buckle. Nowhere in the world. Big at the pussy they know this.
Juvenile, tell him.
Yo!
When you say, have you ever seen a 45 before? Does a man ever get murdered front of?
Walk to president!
Them with a bahal, say no murder me. Hey, them with a bahal.
Ask LP now.
If justice, him catch them one time in murder. And decide tonight, him a gonna make them my own bird.
Said the danger with a
bahal, say no murder me. Hey, them with a bahal. Bloodshed no pretty. If justice sound, him catch them at the wrong time. And this.
Yes, tonight. Me no fucking with no boy. You see the pussy them want to talk like them a bad man. I bet the box down when I pussy them make no sit tonight.
Hey yo, hello, motherfucking nigga should know, let it go.
Me see I bet the box down when I pussy them make no sit tonight.
Motherfucking nigga should know.
Send one of them round that tonight. Anyone now know?
If a punk thinking bad run up in a me nozzle, all your pint come from me net on in a process.
Shut up!
Nigga should know. It's all up in this place in your face.
Yo,
hey yo, hello, motherfucker.
Me no in no bias thing tonight, you know. We are gonna prove boy different from man.
You know, Teflon Joe by road.
But
if a punk thinking bad run up in a me nozzle, all your pint come from me net on him in a process. Cause I shot them I go get from today back to tomorrow. All me gun them I buy not one me down barrow. Underestimate me, borrow you borrow. Justice them go hold you.
Yes, the pussy wall when they have Jackson don't stop using mouth clean people macho.
To them head man and straight.
What go do?
Tell me like a pussy, only this way and it burn me.
All of the man them will say, no, beg no friend for no pussy wall tonight.
Why man say bad man no beg friend, pussy off his head. Bad man no beg boy.
Pull them up on it.
Bad boy not tested, but they do have it.
Tell pussy wall Kirky see this.
But it no make sense you cry, you go die. Blood in our eye. Job it on this way, feel it behind.
Lever. Before them pussy over here, so when they blunt posse. Go look at girl hug up with. You go look at white boy. Go suck your mother body boy.
Yeah, out of the.
Go suck George Bush. Go suck that Rumsfeld. Pussy hole.
Tell them say.
Pussy hole. Pussy.
Let them know say. These are the two that bust the face big. Two like a them that will cut.
All who say no white boy can't kill a Jamaican. Gun on the ear.
Gang man will laugh. Cause this a one that they throat. But about them we don't talk and them wash out. Justice man them straight.
So, reason. Hey boy, go suck that Rumsfeld. Go suck Charles Bush. Go suck your mother. Go suck your family. Read him up.
You walk with innocent face. Tough like a yours young. Hey wicked amongst your friend and woman a beat your witch. Now calling him son boy I go shame watch a champion son.
Yes say yo. Let me kill LP for you son.
I preach and now practice that slackness. Easy Juvenile.
What you say you blood pussy? You want to fuck me? You want to fuck me? You're a batty boy.
Sit
down. Batty boy.
When I say justice you've been through it and body. And survival of the old exactly. Enough gunshot.
Easy. Hey, go suck your mother. Go suck your father. Go suck your pity them. Hey boy, read him up. A bad man sound around here. Sean.
About justice, the killing machine, man. Kill them all and come back.
Hey boy, you know me.
Original book.
You know about sound. Me kill a Jamaican pussy.
Justice.
You know about sound. Boy, you're a white man, I want to kill black man. Go suck your mother.
Look what about me brown, judge I know say me black. Me slim, me tell them burrow pant and no fat. Me DJ fi ball head and dreadlock. I carry me wig, matin and me diamond socks. Every color that
Lever, hear me. Let me write them off. Write them off.
You know it's wall on this should never make me get violent. I kill him in 29 style. Cross, no mercy.
Me love kill white man, pussy hole. Me love kill white man.
Justice God, no giant logic, no giant church. Disrespect me. Boy like the dirt, give me no talk. To kill the juvenile, work just up in there.
Hey, pussy war.
Reverse, boy, you got dead. Tell them no give me the argument. Kill me, go to kill. Justice don't take statement.
White boy, you got dead.
With them back argument. Juvenile,
you know me pussy war.
Argument.
Hey, what you say? Oh, hold on. All who wants to bury them pussy alive, say bury them alive. Bury them alive.
As ever, justice them to know that. Don't try bust this.
You know justice, make
God knows how some still never change, you know.
Roughneck.
Yeah now.
Hey, roughneck.
Let's have me go so. Call the earth because one more dead again. What justice say to them? Call the earth because they mix up.
Make me bury them. Bumbo clot. Hey boy, me kill the sound if you're living. Go suck your mother. Go suck Bush. Go suck Rumsfeld.
Hey, see before me go, I really out, man. So last year I know, a vibes thing. Turn up the mic to my boss. Them say them I go one more tune. Yeah. I'm going to play a Fort Lauderdale artist too. Yo, Ian.
Yes!
Lauderdale
Why
artist.
come on, king of the US come blood clot dead. Justice I go lock them off. Juvenile Tico, yo.
Lauderdale artist!
Why they can't say
boss,
blood
they
clot
get to you!
You know what I laugh? Listen why. Hey. I feel so happy cause I start one day again. LP not live to see the sun tomorrow. Seems to me, Black Rose, you know you done all you can. I want thing to blunt posse, who know fi stop negative environment. Yeah, ooh, justice kill them easy. Easy in the key. Justice kill them easy. What we there? Yeah. Kill them easy in the East Coast. Oh.
Wanika. Here we go on, people. Oh no, make them chicken. Here we go on. You see the man who bust the hand. Look on them good. Remember, I'm telling you. 2 sons them bust the hand for them not genuine. Look on them good. MC.
Okay. Well, time I run short still. So the promoter just told me that 2 sounds have to go in this round here. Ain't me, it's the promoter. Coming up next is Black Rose.
You learn. You're a smart kid. What is this? The one on 9 nights. Where big bad, where market tag with the day a while ago. Where market tag there? I jump, but man, I catch a heart attack, man. The blood clot there. See by yourself, but you see a sour. The blood clot there. The one near Ajax, where them have a clean all kind of toilet. Why every time you are play, you find fault with the sound? Oh, everybody a play, we a play through it. I want to hear tune them, but when them cut on the cellar, the blood clot there. Read them up.
Only Emmanuel like King Selassie. Yeah, Rastafari, guide and bless.
We can't tell you, you know. Them New York sound are good.
They say not free one.
Florida sound, my baddest blood class sound in the US.
So fear up. Free Manuel children now.
Turn on the fire.
Yeah.
Super to share, speak up.
Nice enough to the end. Well, that's gonna get this strong. Black Rose, we understand.
When me a kill sound, I'm market on there.
Dance with the eyes. Do you ever make a circle? In our Black Rose dance before. We're down in Orlando to see how much sounds collaborate. You go pray for your son, we are gonna die.
Yo, me nigga, squeeze one like blood clot blueprint there.
Let it come and show them some more for you. Keep on with them.
Na.
Turn up the sound. Turn up the sound. The blood clot to them. Light
So they are not check. So not
today. Yo, super touchline building, big up.
Them are not check.
All who say blood posse me go pipe on them. Pipe on the big bad marticle. Pipe on the market tag. See them. We are in the sound righteous. Yo, keep it down.
me come stand up in front of me 75 caliber. This Black Rose I make me
judge. Some sound pan flyers.
Don't
phone and run.
Some boy what
no boy can't play this.
Black Rose where the people them want. Black Rose where the people them want. Sweet reggae music where the Black Rose play. Sweet reggae music where the people them want. Sweet reggae music where the people
listen, me alone I play this ever.
Sweet reggae music. Sweet reggae music. Not the dread come make for nice.
Yes, we can play 10 minutes and jump out. We have big sound around here.
Sweet reggae music. Jamaica, Ethiopia, Africa, straight up. Anyway, Black Rose. They can't keep the Black Rose down. For joy when they want us to frown. Rastafari rule is wrong. They could never.
Yo, hibiscus, turn on the gun, them no man.
Who's a bless, I said no man curse. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers asking for a search. No find no way back to touch me. Black Rose always standing as a rock and just get.
Or the bomb buckler to them. Big up in the same machine for you anyway. When I bat bomb buckler sound in Florida.
Beat go beat them down. Black Rose gonna be.
This are my artists. Some man are running and play cut you. How do not play them one here? How do not play them one here? Bomb buckler.
Oh, believe me, that sound agreed, mate. This Black Rose and all the do not be easy. Try to let them what it is. This let you roll. I feel black blunt, I'm black a lot we are show. Oh, you see me guns, them and frowns.
Yo, play next one for the radio, the Genos.
Break bound.
Them on a bad
me guns, them and put in our next round. Bounce your black blood to get them by the pound.
What that?
Pass it over,
this is a bomb buckler. Stop it, man. Lock down this blood clot, ya. Video, man. Post the wall. I want a little room for work. Watch it there. All who ready for sound blood clot, that gun on that blood clot sky. Squeeze that tune there. Squeeze that tune there. Genius, bring over the keyboard. Watch it here, man. How are you?
We ain't the one that need to catch him. How is anything?
Tell them I want to.
Lock down this
Black Rose, it's a Black, it's a DJ, 10 people, then it's I want to. Extend.
Yo, why this? Because all who come for the sound, that gun on that sky. Gun on that sky, roughly.
Those when they ride. Black Rose and every time them side. The long turn of organize. Burn up a bomb. I say you better than move. When black step is free. Set in no free. Pop up and squeeze. Go to a ball. I make one to eat. With a bumper sound.
Tell them we're the ones that tell them.
Black Rose will take it so light. Sound you're gonna need it tonight.
All who come for the sound, they put the gun on nice guy.
You make me big sacrifice.
This everyone who come for the sound, that round us up. Round man, that's a tall it up. What's up with that gun on that blood clot?
You make me big sacrifice.
Black Rose say, they never know who they run come this. I talk about them night when come and Chris. Black Rose we no fear the sound. Man a bomb, man a bomb.
Black Rose, bullet no turn up a police radar. Gunshot rougher than the whole of the radar. Bullet no turn, they're not afraid of. Black Rose, the man, gun killer. That's a get up the thriller. Shoot to the master head from off of them. Some rascal gun them can use on the scheme on the villa. The scheme on them. Black Rose are down. This why they use the future down. Try to decide they get to use it down.
Play one of my warm blood clot tune. When this a drop in and no good.
Oh, damn bad. Hey, yo, Black Rose. So what them say? Them want war.
Listen to me, Joe.
Who them? Batman pointed that.
Turn up his sound.
Just it down again. So them ready for dead there.
Turn up his sound, Dalla.
The motherfucking head now. Yo, the man never know.
Yo, I discuss. I lose his sound for that. Gun on nice guy. Gun on nice guy.
Yeah. Yiggy, kill LP, then talk to us.
Pussy.
Yeah.
All who come to the sound then. All who are your brand new need to go to gun and nice guy.
Black Rose get busy, but you're gonna rip your city element.
No boy play anything got you like me. Big up Angelina, my friend. Big up anyway there. But give me a brand new tune now.
A Batman party. The Black Roses rising like party. Watching the battle starting. From the beginning we used to plan and party. We sing gunshot in your room. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, Black
go left him gun. Rum ba ba boo bam 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 ba dooey. Rum ba ba boo bam bam.
Stand up! Cause we can't do anything, we get forward on them thing there. Yo! I'm talking about big show. Big show.
Just for man.
May I play a tune to them?
Speakers, brown agony. A Lincoln sugar minded for the ends, man. Run that.
Ganja man.
The Black Rose you will run.
Ganja man.
Black Rose you will turn. Lord mercy. Some boy coming at the dance hall. With them teeth.
Different tune again.
Respect to the max, man, catch up. Black Rose number one, so everybody know that, man. Black Rose.
Stand up in that morning there.
You know you rule the town.
Yo, four lot of them ready.
Son, you never knew what you did
until you this man. Stand up.
Son, you never knew what you did until you passed away.
Hold on, you know. Cause them a talk about big tune. None of them can chat to me about big tune. The whole on go suck on the mama. I'm not beg no friend from none of them.
Ice and easy does it, man. Because you know, say Black Rose no rush it, you know. Because you know, so we know where they're saying.
They say wait till they go down there and integrity.
Seeing the best sound in the whole town. Seeing Black Rose the number one sound. The man called Negos Black.
Squeeze off big tune road here, yo.
The man called DJ Tech.
Long time we have spent, punk.
We murder sound. I'm on Jam out at the microphone center for the number one sound.
Squeeze off some and let it there, yo.
Because you know, say Black Rose run things. Murder. Dream last night about Black Rose. Murdering a sound. Crowd of people, them gathered around.
We play a fool forget you that, man.
Murder. Black Rose kill another cardboard sound tonight.
I'm not playing a boy time neither. Some boy come in and play them tune. MC.
Engineer, promoter, what time it is now? 1:45. Where is it? 15 minutes? The time just a blood clot start. All who want sound for dead, want so give me some blood clot early signal. Early signal, kick it off.
A LP in the lawn. You having a big sound.
Bust round.
International Puma Super than Danger.
Test out the machine.
Na 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 na.
Test out the blood clot machine.
In the lawn.
Test out the machine, Dan. Why are the bass line? Monitor the bass of it. Ready again.
Jubilee, LP in the lawn. Boy. Jubilee, reggae music of the dawn.
People, a first round. All who pay their money come tonight to see blood clot force on dead 200 the year. All who pay their money to see on dead. Wake up the blood clot set. Wake up, wake up.
LP a murderer.
Wake up, bumbo clot. Wake up. Which one we come from? Which one we come from?
LP come from Brooklyn. Slew something about it. Watch all the people they might jump and
we don't care what nobody wants. And the most blood clot bad man come from Brooklyn.
Me and my birds and my keys.
Yellow.
Taking me to show them the dance all.
All who know some bet to the money for LP, show me some blood clot signal. Early fire, yo! And make this guy. Roll on there. Blood clot. All who want some dead. Dead.
It's not pretty now. So that's not easy at times.
Early fire. Early push. Early push.
Living ain't easy now. It no easy
Level.
at times.
All the man was here gonna dance over blood clot 5 years to another year. Clash dance and the real authentic dance. The wedding jiggy tonight. So the blood clot there tonight. Mucho.
What?
Monitor the bass. Mucho.
I wanna rule my destiny.
Not the blood clot. Ready again.
And I wanna rule my destiny.
No.
Hey. Destiny. Help me look for
destiny. LP, I hear you call. Whoa, let me rule my destiny.
Well, I don't know, say the first 15. I don't know, says I'm going to bounce it nice and easy. We beat on the regular 200 year on radio every day, on the bootleg station and everything. We beat on the regular, get them out of the way. Later on, we'll just rub out the pussy them, can't be a baby them. One of them up. Ready again. One to the lights.
LP International.
One to the blood clot light past stage. Lights.
Yeah.
Yo. Later on, them now have the blood clot belly. Start me.
LP them rising. Yeah. And ridiculous spray. And this sound boy will stand up in the way. Today. Not take no disrespect, no time, no way.
Level. And we are the first sound to play. The one of the pussy them want the sound brought them and pack them power. Pussy with the two bad mind. Free plans. Free plans.
Sound boy no one leave up in low. LP the vex and start steal them. The figure go farming them, scarring in the mud. Still wanna be the first to eat the food as it goes. Them turn the dance all in our worlds. Love them from far.
LP are what? What we are what? We are what?
LP sound are the king of New York. Make some sound boys stay there.
Pussy or blunt pussy?
What they gonna do? Say what they gonna do? Well, enough for them not true.
Blunt pussy.
LP and the
Yo!
Who do you think you are? We're living in a small world. Small world. As wicked as you think you are. We're living in a small world. Small world. As bad as you think you are. You are go dead in a small world. Small world. As tough as you think you are. I go dead in a
a 5 sound night dance. I don't know, say, we was a bounce early, I don't know in the first round. I bounce 15 later.
Equal rights and justice. Justice pick number 4. Justice will be playing number 4. Poison Nut will go second. Yeah, okay. Don't play number 2, you know? Listen. Blunt Posse all the way from the Bronx will be going third. Black Rose will be going number 5. And I ain't stupid. There's only one number left. And there's only one sound left. So, all the way from Brooklyn, New York, my good friend Danger, LP International. Yes, sir, my friend.
So we draw number 1. Yeah, we draw number 1. Automatically don't know, so we are number 1. So may I say, yo, Puma Super Dan link up. To link up. Yo, engineer, before we play one tune, I want to hear a tune play upon the record turntable this up. Engineer, before me play one tune, I want to hear a record over this how it sound upon the sound. Come and play upon fuckery now. You see what I say? I want to hear how a record sound on the fucking sound. So I do it. So I want to hear that. At least test that with me here to the sound nice. Yo! Yeah, at least I want to hear somehow it sound, because we don't want to play on any radio so the sound will sound too nice. See me, I touch an eagle. Yeah, I touch an eagle now, hear nothing. I want to hear quality upon the sound too. Because earlier on, I don't like this sound half full. Yo! Take off that reverb thing off of the mic. I want the microphone flat. Flat. Yeah, flat. Bumbuckler. Yo! Take off every reverb, take off every delay. Flat. No music, nothing now come through this. Nothing. Alright, we get sound now. Yeah, because I'm not lying now. When I want to start playing the sound, start sound away. We are first sound. Come on and do a thing. So I deal with big up all the fans and we come hear some blood clot music tonight. Now one bag of reggae jiggy ready. Batman blood clot cereal tonight. You see what I say? Yeah. Just like that. Done. Put on one record and me hear all the sound cause I play back quality. LP machine and Brooklyn sound, blood clot, crystal clean. Some why hear how music sound pan this. Why hear something pan that. Yeah. Put on something here to it sound, just test it. Put on something. Put on something. Put on something, man. More hear some sound outside road, boy. Sound, music. Give me a one thing. Yeah. Give me a one tune. Anything a little regular. Give me a regular for test it, no, man. Yeah, give me something for test it. Yeah. Something. People, and my fault, you know, don't like the sound too up to par, but we work with it. You don't know a dance like this should have a ROZE machine in us, for real. A dance like this should have a rotted sound in us, a beat on the whole place. But as them say, the club just opened up and the dance changed 3 different times, and the engineer said, boy, I never have time to bring the machine come on. One bag of sad stories, but guess what? We work with it. Test it. But so I hear something, the sound good. Test.
A LP in the loan. You have a big sound, LP interview.
Oh, it's sound out there. Sound alright? Sound alright? Can I work with? We're going to work with like this. Done. Carry the next one over there, so. That's how we do it. We try both, make sure everything sound good. Yeah. Our pies not to use, what do I use? Vinyl scratch. Yes. Bossy. I woke up no fuck up tonight.
A LP in the loan.
Okay, so nice. Can work with. Alright.
Yo, Mr. LP International. Yeah. New York massive. Puma. Danger Dan. Why you here, son? You here, son? Not burn them. LP tell them. Some boy dead and gone. Far away. LP lead them way to play. Send them a graveyard to...
The blood clot war start, you know. You feel good, right? Now do that. How you feeling? Oh no, I'm going to play the biggest blood clot combination tonight. Eh? Drop it.
Cross, angry, me's a rebel. LP, you know it's bounty killer alongside the Gargamel and Kalanchi. I doubt you know.
This one is so big, Joe. Boy, I'm a soft and they'll watch a disaster. Can I get better with
me? I got blood clot lockdown first round.
I mean, so big up yourself, you know.
Alright.
LP International, stay so Puma, stay so Dan. Danger!
All you say, Matty man for that lighter! Lighter!
And the shot people are saying, boom, 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 boom.
Level. Blunt pussy there. Justice there. Tell them.
Don't apologize to nobody, boy, if you're this danger.
Do it again. Chop it again. Don't go to the needle.
Bounty killer alongside the Gargamel and Kalanchi. I doubt you know.
This one is so big, Joe. Boy, I'm a
there's no blood class station there, you know.
Can I get men up with
I mean, the mad blood class selector, you know.
I mean,
the pussy that can't go up on the stage, him too big. Pussy blood. Suck the woman, we are
danger.
Suck the woman.
Burn them like strangers.
Some boy, man, yeah, man. Ready,
and the shot people are saying,
boom, 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 boom.
All you say, Matty man for dead. Go on, the blood clot here. Go on, man.
I'm going Mumbai. In a Matty boy head. If you will not promote the Matty man, the Matty head. On a Mumbai. Buy in a Matty boy head.
Yo, Sizzler.
LP said, don't apologize to nobody, boy. If you're this danger, girls, then guns at your boy. Even though let the girl
Level. All who say, no reggae artist, no if you apologize to no Batman. Be the man that care, but not if you apologize to Batman. Go on!
Okay, LP.
Batting off his fucking ass at you. Apologize to.
Now follow you, don't make a dollar. Oh, hear this now.
LP song who must get rich. Brooklyn for life, but we know intent is right. Up in a life, Bangladesh must make it. Now the pussy them, I want the house can get rich.
Oh, when you get me, can't forget about it. Me chop on the reggae with stores up like this.
Level. My girl over there, so. All night I go hear one bag of blood clot bad man tune. Them now go play a tune for the girl. Me a different one. Me love your breast them.
Can I ride this like motorbike? Boston limit and block this tab like
do to that man. Suck him up.
Can I ride this like motorbike?
Bumbo clot star. Where's it? Where's it? 15 not already? Come on, man. Next song.
Let's give it up for the LP. Yeah. Big up my New York niggas in the house. But right now, coming up is Florida Notorious. Poison. Poison. Dar, my good friend Kirk is here on the crew. Hey, man, where's that?
Two. Yeah. Well, alright. Well, you don't know, you know, a 5 sound there. But you don't know 4 of them have a blood clot dead. You understand me? And you don't know a poison out there, Florida's most notorious, America most notorious. You understand me? But right now with them poison out, we do things a little bit different. You understand me? So Kirkisy, drop that tune there.
I'm say yes, poison out, stairs of Kirkisy, Chris Rock. Motherfucking girls and stuff is fat cock. Alright, stairs up, stairs up, shut that stairs up. Stairs up.
Rod, third one, every blood clotting dead. Read him up. Sister alongside Jackor. No! All who respect Sizzla Colonji, I want some lighter right now. Light up on pause. All who respect Sizzla Colonji, put some light up on pause. We're bomb smashing just like this.
Sound boy artist, LP, them go. LP rule the nation. Yo.
All who want blood class sound for them, Mr. Maybe a nice. All who want sound that maybe a nice. Early.
So many times throughout my life, the only sound I've ever heard survive the test of time.
Which song?
It's LB sound. From when the soul passed out,
you're done.
The sound passed on. Just remember.
Yeah, man.
Who's the one? LB. Whatever my eyes can see, my heart can feel. That's why.
I don't care nobody want to say no. One of them want blood clot, one with LP. I baby them. One of them. I don't care nobody want to say the one of my baby. We are sport right now. We are sport.
This was for the Sapphics who are fighting a war all over the world.
Right now we are sport out first. We are sport. Engineer, take out some bass off of the microphone. Take out some bass. We are sport. Later on, you're going to hear some song play a tune. You call up my name in it. My youth, any song that bring up my name tonight, respect, because you promote me. Even when you have something negative to say, still blood clot promotion. Go suck the woman. Blood clot!
My eyes can see more clear. Sound killing them there.
Boss Lord.
Sound boys still in a dream. We leave them on a murder scene. We look how we treat them bad. Them shouldn't make we get so mad.
We got SpongeBob in the building. Over there.
We give them all the gunshots we get. Them don't know what
Level. All who know say tonight, on the bet on the wall on the blood club money per LP. Who knows split 50-50. 100% per LP. You can't lose.
So it starts spreading. All when them seek penicillin, sound boy dying. Mercy please for life them begging. This LP to them hog them made in bloodshed in danger now. Give with them burn.
All the man say LP and them nice.
Nothing can stop this fire. Nothing no guard, not even prior. The danger getting higher.
Well on there. Any man we come to like a blood clot girl tune tonight, a batty boy. Read him up.
Fire.
When the man on the pussy, so go on the ear. Go on. Bombo clot.
Where do you go? Down to need my love. Nash.
Any man we come to like a blood clot girl tune, a batty boy.
Yo.
Tell them no. Tell them. Big up our Rasta man that place up woman. Straight.
Where do you go? Down to need my love, baby. When are you go? To let us play.
Fuck that. We have 15 minutes. Too much blood clot tune. True.
Burn them.
On that, let me see go on them now. Rise up the blood clot. Stop it, dog. How do we? Pass it down. Rise up with the blood. Rise up down to champion.
Oh, now, yeah. Big up Poison Dog, yeah. Man like 36.
I saw me a stone that blood clot.
Man Rasta. Hear this. Oh, Let it try, but could not cut Poison Dog sound now. Made it try and poison just burned them down. Yeah. Some fool went to the bank, withdraw all his monies. Yes. Thinking that's what it takes to take Poison Dog down. Poison Dog just play clubs. I'm the one that's so down.
Let me see go on. Rise them.
War some boy a study Poison Dog, deal with it the bloody ass. Gun dog and gun drunk with the set.
All who say sound for them. Rise the blood clot gun on them.
Find out say you war some boy a study ass. Deal with it the bloody ass.
Yes a blood clot LP.
We got muddy ass. Kirky see kill them no big on the lobby ass. Kill them on the land. No for them a look to see man magadon. Fight from Poison Dog to sue them magadon.
Florida.
Them a talk about them not the heart. And the murder people we don't say can't talk. Poison Dog. Some boy you say them not the heart. And the murder people we don't say can't talk. James of God. Because you can't say you're bad lucky or say you're salt. When are you wet drunk and the ass hot. And your lily blood that run like a cherry malt. Flip up and dead and your Poison Dog fault. Remember yesterday when you come out heads up.
Hold on the courtesy. Hold on. Video man, come here. Video man, the blood clot, come here. What you feel like? All I real bad man never come a sound war and say sound for them. Let me see the gun on them. Turn the light over here, son. Work with me. Turn the light over here, son. Over here, son. All who say sound for them. Two and nine blood clot here.
How fool them pussy there? Me no know. Gunshot for them pussy there. Them pussy there. Poison Dog no take time. Who up to them shot? I know matter. Yo, Chris Rock, Haskell 45 and Glock.
So come on, come here, chat out them more.
Skeleton, surround to dancer. Your gangsters laugh. We will laugh. Miami, New York. And I don't know it's a worldwide thing. Some boy are rain.
What the bad man from New York?
Some boy I use motor.
The bad man from London here.
The gun we bust Poison Dog no trace. Put gunshot in our blood clot face. This turkey see where you premeditate. We put gunshot in our blood clot face. By your shatter war and stand up at your gate. Put gunshot in our blood clot face. We focus and taste. We put gunshot in our blood clot face. Fly boy brain like kite with gun.
Bitches in the know what we want. Don't sit, don't talk. All right, yes sir. Big up yourself. Lord
there. What the bad man? I'm so big, long gun and rub down pan. I'm here say yes, big up yourself in a poison dart. Bumper ass clad, stay so. Hey, party boy, some boy, a gunshot in the yard, stay so. Pussy in the riches in the door. All those are sound for dead, rise the gun on them. Rise the gun on them. Rise the gun on them. A some big long gun and rub down pan them. Hey, salute clip all down pan them. Gangsters, gorillas, come down pan them. War them from night till sun down pan them. Big long gun and rub down. The man over the hand, let me hear the hand of my blow. Clip all down the let me hear the hand of blow. Gangsters, gorillas, come out pan them. Poison dance. Lord of the hell, tell them pussy them. Because you meant nothing to me. Don't think your words, something to me. You're so real to me. I'm going to long time right now. Got the first 10 minutes this. And the first 15. I'll take them. And the first shit. What this big bad president program? Not a mercy. Born thinking. Not a mercy. Lord of the hell.